Sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart to swim. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know. Losing almost all my energy. It's getting hard to talk to you, and I'm the only one who speaks. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart to say. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know. Here we go, turning all around, dead to lights.
We talk to you later.
Like you call me a while ago?
Mm-hmm.
Really, I said no. Because I couldn't hear good pan tell life for.
Me I say me I look so much for rain.
Where?
Good place.
People, one thing people not hear them nice. But if you don't mind nice, you can rent a room there.
I know some not too like in else don't want to live there. Most people.
No man, I have two girls live there, man.
Oh.
One of the girl them want a roommate. You know, can't put two beds in a room there. So she only want to pay half of the rent, so I can pay next half.
Roommate.
Yeah.
You know some love my own space too.
Yeah. But to get the own space over here, so it's gonna be like 30,999 because it's a prime era and a wall
You
house.
take your roommate then.
Your roommate now that cut him money in half, it'll pay like 150,000.
Some can go in here now.
Yeah man, come make you meet the person and thing and thing. So you don't love fight,
No sir.
you don't smoke, you not drink. Alright, so I don't like problem because last one in there, we did a share room with them fight and them drink and them
Well
come.
if nobody no cross my part, me not cross with
No,
them.
they're not cross man, none about to kill a Alright, see ya?
What she this here?
Yeah man. The last girl in there said do the TikTok, you know the TikTok?
No say everybody do TikTok now.
No, but for her TikTok, she dey on her top and have her foot them from the wall. Me fi pay my place, the place only in a money color.
No sir.
Oh, you know, cause
No go find
this
that.
head tap and in two body jar jump and in foot then up on the wall. Don't look on the wall of the wall there, you want the smell walk side way and I did. Now whole I wall you can't see be a footstep in it. Go straight on. All my place here. Be a footstep, be a footstep. You know how foot you just like him a jump and kick. I look for some foot there. I tell you, so alright, so she is the tenant and tell us that I want a roommate. You know what I mean? Because the rest of the room them kind of book what already. When I say that single girl like you're small, you know, you need the bed them big enough and the bed can hold you. You know. Because this is Negro, you know. You don't come there for high girl. You come there to make some money, go back to your yard with it. Next thing now. We do not take responsibility as a landlord. I do not take responsibility. Which I put a sign and we have to sign it. Your money, keep the money at your own risk. Right? Sleep with money in your clothes, padlock in or something. But you can't see nobody thief your money because no thief not there. And if your money missing and no thief are your negligence, are your fault. Alright? So you keep your money for you. If you have money pan, you can give me for all if you. If you drink here, so alright. Hold your money yourself, then you're smart. Can you last one with money drink off. But anyway, I'm not there too long with you now.
So this is a room.
Yeah, that's why we're going to look in there. I tell you if you agree. Just look in there.
on the side here, man here.
She up on there, right, you take the left.
So somebody that's staying there like.
Yeah, they have my next roommate, but me have to leave the car out. She need to get her mouth, they have fly too much. So me have to, because she get drunk and I pass her place. So as long as you don't pass your place, in my place, then in a good place. So that go work. So she ask her about me, man, everything good. Watch out now, next thing now, the garbage them want them separate. And this time we extra hustling, because most of, watch out now, this is now, we don't tolerate it much, more with a pass. But this is now, this back here, I'm hustling. So I want to save all them back here for go carry or recycle it.
Oh yeah, buckle man.
No, I'm not buckle man. I recycle buckle. Recycle.
You want to recycle, man?
No, I'm not recycle man. Recycle buckle. Yeah, we're going to get it straight.
Man, you recycle buckle man then.
The one that get fresh, you know, and you want to fly. But
Yeah, buckle man.
You're a buckle man. You did a buckle man it?
No, sir, but.
You know what buckle can do for you?
Clean up the environment.
Clean up. And I hope so you just start that. You clean up and stuff. When you're done cleaning up, so you can come to my room too. If you're not feeling
No,
it.
sir, no.
It's extra money. No, like she had about clean up. I don't say you're not clean, so I'm not talking to you. That's why you're alone, try to take you out here. You hear me? I say no. Mama, if there's nothing, you come upstairs, come clean out and make your extra money. Money there. This is Nick Grill money. More money make a Nick Grill in a night than we're making the day. Shh.
That's not true.
That's not true. Alright.
Alright, Rascal.
Never my quarters.
So where you come from?
You don't see a town you come from.
So far.
Yeah, man.
I run your runway?
No, sir. Just feel like, say, you want to take a trip. Always here.
Oh.
New environment.
Yeah, well, me am Alia, as me said, the side of the room there for me. You can, it may not come over on your side. Once me dey on my side, me not touch your side. So we go good as me.
Alright, you just can't call me brownie still.
Yeah, man.
You have to go my back.
Yeah, man.
So, by the way, what's your name, Alia? Nobody want to know if, like, what if me meet one man or miniature call and somebody come to me? Then could I come here so come to me?
No. If you have a man who come here and they tell me, I'm going to go about my business. And if me have a man who come here, me tell you how you go about your business. I don't feel in a wild place and you do your thing.
Okay.
So if you have a man who come here, you tell me from the day before that we know so I can go somewhere. You see me?
I like that.
Yeah.
It's a
I don't
respect
feel in the
like
same
that.
place.
You like that, I understand that. I just really want to know still, because you know, say we are women and we all have nature calling. So, you have no man on here? I mean, you're in the rest of it.
No.
Oh.
You got more than the rest of it?
Actually, no, say, you know, look bad still. I'm going to say, in short, like that. So, I just see you alone still.
No, not really. Some more tenant there, but they're not really there right now.
Okay. Alright, so. You can go in and go see what in the room. You wonder if it's going there now. You don't see if I so don't.
Maybe not even me. I have to go in there early morning, in fact.
I don't want to go down there, you know, too dark. I want to go with something.
No, you can go in there.
So, what must do? No extra key there, we can't carry me arrow there.
Me not go nowhere. I not left this place there.
Okay.
So, my house wrap.
You can come back.
Oh God.
Yeah, see, are you pregnant?
Hmm?
Yeah, sleep, like are you breathing?
No, man, I have a rest of the brain, man. You have a problem with that?
Yeah, I have a problem.
Okay, no problem. No. Tell me the problem.
Because me want my service, so why you in a bed asleep? You know what time?
No, listen, man.
After 12.
I have to work. Because that service I talk about.
Yeah,
Relax,
you have
man.
to work. All this you have to work in it, so.
No, but you don't understand, man. You're pregnant now, man. I cool, you feel cool. You can't talk about.
No! I don't want to because I know, you never know, so when I breach somebody at the time they want sex.
Yo, oh, just relax, man.
Relax.
Remember back in the days?
I'm not back in the days now.
Just relax, man.
From me get pregnant, I realize they move side there like you're crabbing.
What do you mean by finally
Yeah,
pregnant? Why difference between when you get pregnant and back then? Tell me why difference.
Because back then I used to treat me good. Now you treat me like piece of trash.
No, that's how explain yourself. Explain
You
yourself.
still want me go further now?
Yeah, explain yourself.
Back in the days I used to treat me good. All of me I come from work, you out the road and wait for me. Nowadays, as I come in, I go sleep.
Seriously, no?
Yes, seriously no.
No, man. No, do them things. You can't do me that, man.
What me I do you?
Me do enough. Me have to do everything. Since you're pregnant, I me do everything in the house, you know. And me wash, cook, and clean, you know. At least me do that for you. But we have to go and go hustle the money. We can't turn our mouth at time. That's why one time come here. We turn
That's why I
and
ask
sleep.
for it all the time. But ask for it when me well in need.
Me not buy roses, man. I use them.
Roses can't satisfy me.
Use the bullet.
Want the real thing.
Yo, listen me.
And where you go?
You have conscience with me, man.
Conscience, and you don't have none with me. Remember me a baby mother?
Yeah, yo, me be that. Yo, and that's why you have give me a chance, man. Just take
Every
that.
time I ask, nowadays, every time I ask for sex, is either you're tired, or you're just coming, or this or that. You ever find one bag of excuse?
That's why if you serious, I'm a good man. Some man that will want you in night. He's a good man, I don't want to wreck you, sometimes we can rest.
But I not every night I want it. Every time I ask for it, you find an excuse to give me.
I'm back right now, right? I'm back at the
Good day. Now you're back. First I did tired. Now you're back here. Where you go?
Never road.
Go do what?
Never, yo, relax, man.
Where you go do? What the kind of road for you go do?
I can't get money and come back.
Me not believe that. You're not left from out here so until me get what I want.
Won't
So you have to go through me if you go through the door.
Won't you? Later you get that man.
No.
The door.
No, him busy. Him can't come now.
Relax, man.
You're not going anywhere. You're under lockdown. Me I put up on curfew.
Wow.
So it's either give me it and go to your friend them, or you go stay here so for the whole entire evening. You choose.
Alright, yo. Come back. No way. Relax, man.
No.
You don't have money?
Money can't wait at my time now.
Make up your mind. If I got money like this.
I want the both of them, but if no more sex.
Later, man.
Money can't wait.
God have mercy, man. I'll put myself in a man.
Are you wrong for coming at me?
Alright, lay down. Lay down.
No, you lay down first, because you're not going to outsmart me.
No, man. Lay down, man. Lay down. Lay down.
You say you're not going to outsmart me. Lie down.
And the woman
Lie down after.
May I come there.
You can't come now, I'm busy.
Look how long man out there now. Relax, man.
You're not going nowhere.
Alright, go and walk for you, boy.
No, daddy, may I come, no move.
You're not going anywhere.
Just come on.
It come like you want to spell out everything.
May I come. Give me a second, may I come.
Oh, so it's just a second me again.
Just relax, man. How money we have to deal with?
Me I get any money said that man you up this way I call you. I bombard my care go.
Oh man, there's nothing like that, man. Just relax, man. Just lay down, man. Relax, baby. The baby. Hey, listen up. Alright. Don't be a back at it. I want cheese. Come.
What? I want this.
Yeah.
Hello, we don't trust you. Come in. What's up?
Come back, man.
Okay. I saw you move. Alright, that's something. What man? I wanna do on your phone.
That's what me do for fun. We don't know about nobody else.
The service hardly I pick up.
Mine I pick up fine.
When you're silent, you.
Yo, what going on, daddy?
No, I'm telling you, woman, and can't manage it, I'm baby. It's cut.
That's how you go, man.
So I go on my yard,
No, you know, one new tenant just come, brownie.
Where you tell me?
Yo, man, I tell you, girl. That girl and she have tattoo on them with the daddy, man. I tell her. You look like you come, look like you know, walk it or not still, so. They want that crepe, you know.
No, man, you can't crepe me, man. Yo.
Alright?
What?
Nobody don't look at it, nobody knows what she do. I don't make it next week, then know it. I know what them tan. Them have a shark.
Like that because you have to just have to, when you go show up, me this and couldn't wait for me and run, come catch you. You man, try to hold me down, man.
That's how I go, man.
If they rest, that's like, yo, I don't know why you never take pills. You come breathe at that time.
Alright, so we'll go on and now. If you take the brown one, I'll take the stout one.
Yeah, man, and that.
Right? And then, you know you're going to pay the rent for the next one, but me just cut out the side rent.
So,
Alright, I'm pay.
so me have to pay rent. So,
No, she don't work. If she have money, you ask if she have money still. You find out if she have money. Because some of them come from.
no, me not no problem paying because the woman a yard, she breathe and right now, she not gonna know what I want to. So, me just come here. Take from the
I don't want this. I'm not stuck with link part, you know. She didn't. I also she don't think for money. So she want no more. Go up from the quarters. And when they see she come out, they can start chat to her. Yeah, man. So, nothing more than that. She gonna come out.
Let's find out. Oh, watch it. I'll find out how.
Wait a minute, we get some service or something.
My God, what on?
How are you?
Huh? Oh, man, I'm the big general one of me here, man. But you calling, but seems like in the upstairs, huh? So, how are you? I first me say, how are you?
He's a new tenant.
Wow, you look pretty good.
Thanks.
You single?
Yeah, I'm single.
My God.
But me not search right now.
Man, search. So you don't need somebody to pay rent.
Yeah, we need somebody. You gotta pay me rent.
I have no problem. Money is no problem to me. So they say me is all problem solver.
Well, if you gotta pay me rent, no problem.
So how much the judge charge? You can't tell me no lie now, my friend.
I don't lie. What him did say? Him say 25 a month, but he might give me fee 20.
Good. So that's a chump change.
Because of 50,000 for the room. So the next girl pay 25.
Oh, I'm responsible for your team responsible. Yeah, so you talk to me straight.
Oh.
You know, involve nobody else, like, because sometimes you involve people, like, you get left. So I want to can carry one of them here, because I'm single and nobody, you know.
Well, what do you mean cameo? Cameo go away.
Like, go have a drink or come here daytime and buy some rum, you know. Rum is not my problem, neither.
Why do you come here daytime and buy me some food?
Tune, that me like, as long as I food, no. Food, we have no problem with food. Food and rent, no problem.
But the true you buy me there something here if you do pay me rent, no, because me not go on, you know. Because me say me not really look nobody right now.
Alright, you know what I say now. Forget about paying your rent and forget about buying the food, because me nah gonna let them situation life there. Me can't pay your rent and pay your food money and what? Live like that?
No, I mean, so me not tell you, so me not look nobody, but if you want to help me out, no problem, maybe we can change my mind and say, alright, you're a nice guy, we can take you up. But right now, we don't want nobody.
So how you gonna survive then if you don't want nobody? How you gonna
But
pay
plan to
rent?
come down here and come look at work. I soon get a work, matter of fact.
Alright, if you get the rent, if you don't get the rent, you can't go on with the deal. So you must
But
know.
you just come here and you just know me, you see, first thing you start with me.
No, because I'm single, I'm free. I'm free. And you say you're single. But you're not searching, so I try to write up my application for now. So if you are search, you know something there.
Well, if
Ask the general there.
who's general that the Rasta?
Yeah, man, they want to own the place. You see, every new tenant to come at some time, me help them, but them always trick me and general me out.
Help them in what way?
Pay them rent, man, and take care of them. Some of them come down from college trip, take care of school, college, and all them stuff.
So you have, where get money to do all the days something different? Where work?
Listen, we have money like that. Mike Jensen, we have money.
You have money?
Yeah, man.
Where you get the money from?
You know where I get my money? May I ask you where you come from?
You come from Kingston.
Me never did want to know that Kingston girl, but you terribly set a girl them. Which part of Kingston you come from?
Where you come from?
God, see if they're pleasing place.
That's why I come down here to try look at work and try make you what I get home.
So that's why you have to take me up, man. You have to go back to Grand Spring again. I don't know Kingston, but you have to go back down there.
Tell me your name from your start talk.
Oh, sorry about that. Let me introduce myself. My name is Mr. Michael Jackson. Not the one that sing, not the one that dance, but the Jamaican one, you know? Yeah, them one there. So, like, wow. Oh God, tattoo look good though. Can't cook though.
Yeah, we can cook and do all those stuff. So, we don't really like somebody to pay me rent, you know, so if you're interested,
No. Come on, just tell us about pay rent if I'm not funny rent thing. You know, so you feel like say you're only interested in the pay rent and the food part. What about the future?
You don't really look no future with paying us, because as I say, we don't really like you like that.
So you like your money though?
No, we're just looking for somebody where me and them have that connection. We don't feel no connection.
So you don't want to pay rent, that's all?
As a friend, yeah.
But let me tell you this, me don't want no friend. You see me and money, we are no friend. So you see, if it's either you have a chance, you know work right now, right? You can get kick out and embarrass your friend could have laugh over you. You know what I could me not to live with a friend, but you could have laugh over you.
I get kick out, me know where my money come from one time.
You work on the bridge?
No, you're mad.
Oh, you
Work
know,
on bridge.
oh, you know where your money come from?
I have my family them overseas.
You sell back?
No, I the Rasta sell back, they have back of them. So if you can pick up 2 back.
My friend can't do that, man. How do you make so much money at one time? Sometimes you are full.
That not say, by selling, picking up the back of them my help because holding for back of the all about the place. So if people didn't know, so they could have picked
So
up
my friend sell
money.
back. Why you know use it and just pick up all the them and compare it with
No money not really depend them here. But
that's why if you take me up, move on top, move so hard, you move so hard.
so I just know you want to take care of.
You stingy, look fruit, they have them so there.
You
So.
5 minutes, me not turn up here to have a conversation. And you want me to take care of. Me not so careless, man.
And that told them, I said, well, who want to know? Who don't want them. That's all I end up in a body bag. But I said, me come back and check on that stuff too.
You see how long me I talk and you say, alright, I'm going to buy 2 shoes.
Ah, Tio, hey! You see how life funny? You talk about buy 2 shoes. I don't want me. You can't buy nothing if you don't want me. Buy sense. And me just know you too. You can't buy your juice because I just know you. Me buy
You know me, you tell me I look me, but you can't buy me a juice.
you know, just tell me, say, just know me, you can't do with me. So how you want my money to buy shoes now? More you have to look on the equal side. Free, that have a free one for free. As simple as that. Think about it.
You see, mean man can't get. Go on, come everything. Come on.
And my friend places saying I'm alone.
But him not there right now.
Let me move freely. Please.
Mean man can't get you in and I get me. Bye. Your friend down there here and you can't say nothing if me lock up here because I am ignorant there for everything. I up this so Rasta live. Go on up this son.
Only hope you can pay rent, yeah? Only hope you can pay rent.
Fine, you didn't like you have no money.
You couldn't knock the door.
Don't see door.
Suppose me didn't be a kid. If
Bathroom
you
there and
do it, do open still, but.
Yeah, go on and I good.
Me not good enough.
That's sad. Cause my mother moves sideways like him a crap. Like he have somebody else and no want to service me and me in need.
Me come and be that good.
And you just ask me if me alright, you know me explain.
I don't want to hear about your sex life. Listen, man, we are brother and sister, you know. There's a limit to things that we can talk about.
But I can talk about it.
So you want to talk to me about your sex life?
So what wrong with that? Me and your sibling?
Me no want that. Me no want to hear what's going on here. When close and something.
So who did tell us we don't go into details?
Oh, me no want to hear about it then. Today I do today.
Right now, me just done tied up with room and things.
Our name is your ex, you know?
Oh, which one? Which one of them?
Puppy.
Who names her again?
Puppy Danny.
Oh.
Yeah. I make sure him ask if you're good, and I tell him say you're pregnant and I want to. I say I should have film baby and one bag of something, but
You know, I mean, it right in a relationship, they still but kind of still have feelings feel. But don't that one already.
That's where you go.
Yeah. Anyways, what you deal with?
Yeah, I'm going to get a check out and get on work, construction work yesterday.
You can manage construction work?
I go yesterday. I see me just too long go come from and be and see me I come check you. See me I go buy one look at food down the road. Me stop over here.
Oh, actually I don't
go. But me I check and say if I cook first. Because I don't want to go buy food and
the
then
food
I
up on the fire. You
know
don't cook?
Oh, I don't buy the food then.
Me know that's how you were working.
Me can just go buy one drinks and come back.
Money.
Yeah. Your man has no problem if you make food up there.
You can't have a problem with that.
Make sure you know.
You know my brother?
Oh.
So, nobody look like you're paying up by one or go to get a massage.
Very tired.
If you have a man. I'm just saying.
Me have woman all about the place. Woman will like me.
I'm gonna kill you. You watch. I want you man if you keep.
Me no say me have woman, you know. Me say a woman all about the place like me. But me don't want them. Me no have woman all about the place. Me no stay them way there. You know me no time so.
To some man have full for girls so.
But not me. You know that.
Well, as I said, not you still. If I see my ex get back him number, I'm going to link him up back. Nobody asks no whole back question.
Alright.
Just get the link.
If you say, I buy on things and come back.
Alright.
Good.
I see if this is something to your stuff.
Yeah. No, but that them say one bad on the price for the rent, man.
No, Sam.
Oh.
Are you friend there? You tall man there?
Yeah.
I remember when you saying him.
No, you're talking, man. Papa. Yeah.
He rushed down for me other day, you know. I come and chat about how him want me ask.
Yeah.
And he want to pay me rent.
Well, you have money?
I don't know money like
so
that.
you're good then, man. If a man want to pay rent, we can pay rent then.
I say I come down and look at work, you know.
You get a work yet?
No, but me auntie them overseas.
Him have links though.
Mm.
He can get work for you and I think he can pay rent too. So the money your auntie give you, take it and save it if you go want it.
I say him tell me, you know, but they know they money nowadays doing chat, but they don't have nothing back of that.
Nah man, I have him money man. Alright, and now the woman left him. So he's single, so I think I want good.
I say him tell me saying single, you know, but I can't believe them man, yeah.
No,
I didn't lie.
No, me I tell you. Yeah man, me know your girlfriend good too. Yeah man.
So you say you can't pay me rent, you can't help me out.
Yeah, I used to work man,
you know joke around like
a big man man. I don't look up in a big man that man. And the relationship and the relationship work out, you know. But you can't just have all relationship go on already.
No,
So
like they man and all is like then we come make you come sleep with them and by a man in a gone and you never see them again.
So I'll not give anybody till you got a female then. You got a female go sleep at till them say sleep a female you can't sleep a female yard that's all. Because you want to go there in your room. You understand? Yeah man, so. Yeah man, and about you though, you don't know violence and that's the greatest thing. We don't know what you know, we never see me down yet, you know what I mean?
Alright, so
See good though?
yeah man, next time you come here, if you come here, then you chat to him more nicer cause you don't know how you rush down for me so.
That's how you stay man. It's a youth cause through me and them grow you know. We attack the world aggressive because the world really rough. Jamaica not nice like that. It's a rough island. So you can't so soft. Look at you night tree. You hear nice?
Baby is in there.
And you them a move on it aggressive. Hear it?
But the reason I'm going to ask you about him, I truly say and him a friend and you know him good.
Yeah man. Yeah man. He never not beat up in girlfriend and the girl just left. Because maybe the girl is saying soft.
Oh.
Because some of the money like when they take it on the neck.
For true.
Yeah,
because
man.
he's one friend, oh God man. When the boy box him, the boy box him this and he all men
like
the
that.
boy.
Because someone love that, right? Yeah, so well, to each his one, where you can manage to take off, right? And then they all it all still. That's what I want.
Understand me, did go after me, I can't walk down.
Put in a good word for the roommate for me.
You like her?
Yeah man, but true me kinda shy.
So no long time today.
Yeah, but true me is a man, it's my time, you know, the time. We're not too there every day now.
Oh, you ever?
No, me travel. I'm a traveler.
Oh.
Yeah, so my time I travel, go over there town, so my time I travel there Mandeville, so my time I there different place, me there all over the place, all over the island. So now I there for a couple of days, I soon go on the road again. But until I want to take even a month off or 2 months or 3 months off, after the traveling. Because the island I run too red.
Yeah man, not easy, but you don't go up and down so.
Yeah man, so
traveling,
a month
you
up and down.
sometime too.
A month up and down, yeah. So that good. So
Like you know, no woman do.
no man, it's a single sailor. I just there go and hold it off. But I've my few in my time, but now may I take it slow. So me I watch a one day from one day, I notice say him seems like a one good one. She might have 1 and 2 man come out and chickify, but me like to know. So that's what they stay for already.
Alright.
So you know if angle it. You know what I mean? Yeah man.
Alright, later.
Put in a word for me though, tell him say yo, I and I Rastafari. Like this is true.
Alright.
You know what I mean? Because I can't talk much. Yeah. You know I love talk.
Yeah man.
Yeah man.
Oh God. Where are you?
You know say a new trend come out on TikTok me I try.
What?
Papa, Lisa, Tila, Lita, crossing man. One song.
Oh, come me that try, you know. I wonder.
I'm a bad man.
What is them too quick, man? So hard one.
No.
So I say, thing, but we are look down for yourself.
You won't get any long yourself.
Oh, sweet and beautiful. So life.
No.
Oh,
Bro, no, I look at interview for you. And
you don't interview for me? Where?
everything check out. You say I'm a good person. No mind me bad style, man. I just saw me overprotective. They man nowadays, them a lie. They understand. They will tell us say they ain't single, they ain't this and they ain't that.
So what kind of interview you run for me that you know about my background?
No, I'm just going to ask my friend if you're really single. Because I'm single.
Tell us I'm single, man.
But I can't take your word feet. I have to hear from somebody else.
Listen to me, man. Listen
I remember saying I knew, you know, I don't know nobody down here. Just a girl in here, so I'm the Rasta.
No, you're pretty, so I won't tell a lie. If you want to pretty, I won't tell a lie. But yeah, you ever watch Pretty Little Liar? Me not do them things there. You're a sweet, show me piece of girl and I like that, you know, and you can see you look flexible. I like when girls flexible, you know, cause
So, you see that one, as I say, about, cause say you know, I'm not talk to nobody because man,
chop blow, what you say?
yeah man, 1 year.
1 year now,
Come on, Jenny.
don't mess on luck.
Yeah.
Lord of God.
January come, January 28th I'm birthday and January 1st I 1 year.
Lord of God. Chop blow, 1 year don't mess on luck for. You don't want something for free up, don't you know?
And I'm afraid me go pick up on next man now and then come break my heart. You know?
No man, me not break heart man, me fix heart. I'm not a break hearter, I'm a fix hearter. I fix heart. Every heart in the community get fixed.
Well,
That's something me not make nobody unhappy, make everybody happy.
if you say so.
So
So where you come from? Down here so?
we live near close by one day I carry go me house still. Can't carry today,
One day,
but I carry go there
in
one day.
Germany.
Yeah man, I'll show you, you know. Or yeah, in the future maybe make your own house yourself, you know, instead of pay rent. So just think about it first and then you will see if a right decision so maybe you can live together come single, you know, and you look flexible like him but you can't go every night, you know.
I can't really promise you every night still, you know, but I can promise you 3 times a week.
No, you see when I say 3 times a week, that sounds like a dead business. You better say 4 or 5.
No, I can't promise you 3.5 days a week. I can't promise you a full week. I'm not so steady.
So you're not flexible then more.
Me not gonna say me I go work out.
Get in my last relationship, I didn't have every night business.
Me not have white liver, you know. I tell you that. I don't have white liver. And for them girls, them run down that they are in a make them have a house or nothing.
You don't get no picnic.
No, sir.
Chop blow. Where are you?
So I can't still run.
Come like that. Me like that.
Me not ready for no picnic. Me have to have my house and...
How long you away from me get a picnic?
So in about 25.
You how much now?
Yeah, 19.
Chop blow. Hey! See, yo! I'm here for that. Me here for that. Nice and young. Feeble and flexible. You know? So, almost 1 year. Don't miss on a touch.
Well, if you
So I have to buy the Virgin Island.
Yeah.
Cause it turned Virgin back again. Oh, I tell you. I'm going to take time with it though. I'll take my little time, you know. Like the scoops. And then wait, scoops. And then wait, scoops. And wait until, you know, we finally enter Jajal and they can say, glory to Mary.
So how you that come down here so?
Yeah man, I'm bridging the calling still, you know.
So you come here so often then?
No, not really, but you're there now, I come here half thing, you know. Cause
Yeah, I know.
brown skin and your pretty blue eye, brown eyes, them catch me are golden eyes.
So, me just want to go in and make some food, you know?
Make food. Me know say people make food.
Cook some food, man.
Oh, no cook food.
So you can take me number and me go and talk.
You know what that phone I still? Me have me iPhone 15 and
Yeah,
me,
no problem,
and
no
me, and me
worry.
Escalade.
Put in the number.
What here you go?
At 278 4280.
You did give me any one then?
Yeah, man, a Tiana.
Oh.
Save it with a heart.
Sure! I know, yeah, you're a good girl, you know, man. You're a good girl. Yeah, I'm tell you the truth. Some man would have say certain things I don't mean it, but I'm not going to swim the deepest ocean for you. Because no man can do that. Right? I'm not going to jump over the moon for you because that's hard. That is the hardest thing for
you. Once you be honest, you know, and
but me will run up the road 10 times for you. Because I tell you the truth. I like you.
That's the way you can do, man. Because we all are big people, you know. And line up with yourself no way.
No, man. Every liar is a liar.
And anything when I dark must come a light.
I don't like it sound of that still, but We were.
So, my grandmother always tell me that, you know.
Anything else?
Not
No. I know everything when I light come at dark. Cause sometimes some things don't come back here. Cause you're dead with it. So that turn in the dark. You understand? So don't follow nobody about everything when done in the dark or come in the light.
Okay.
Because if you're a thief in the dark, right? And you're dead in the light, how you gonna come back?
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't know one.
Right, so not everything we're done in the dark. So some things are done in the dark must come and light. Right, you understand it is fact now. Our full time for change and top chat nonsense. So now go para so we'll check that. You can lift up 1 foot. Oh God. Ooh. Kill yourself. Oh God.
Yeah, dude.
You come on, but if you want to do interview for me, I wish for to do interview.
Yeah, man, she come and check me for real life. And ask me some question. I tell her, say, good man. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Tell her, say, good and, you know, so, I just my time now. She go get a link, and we try to control the next one, you know.
My sister might give me good vibes, but you know, put out the wave mother for 2 nights. Like send him go a country.
Yeah, man, I have to do that trip there, you know, back in Nigeria. Send me one of them, make the next one come. And when the time right, you send back the next one, you can go a cafe.
Yeah, but, yeah, no. If you go on and give me a good vibes, you know. I don't know the baby mother, you know.
No, you can't know the baby mother.
Daddy, listen to me. You know, no feelings again for your
No, listen, you know. Pregnancy makes some man lose focus.
No, man, you can't.
Remember, say that one day, you know. You go hard to get that one day, you know.
Yeah,
No, you have her now. You have to go care her.
No, me not mind me youth.
No, but listen now. She got you on kids and she go miserable. So you have to care her. If you don't care, this man go tear her.
That is, when me did used to know her, then tell me used to enjoy myself. Then tell me, yeah, so you used to hold for the balcony.
Just want to when you go back to that style.
Me can't wait, daddy.
But listen now, but you know, time I tell her the brown say you're single. So you go and do the brown and
no.
Send her to go up and come back.
No, want the browning fully. So, but I send her for the 2 nights. Go spend the 2 nights.
No, I follow up your argument because I'm saying why do you get the slim girl? The next slim girl up the road, you know.
Yeah.
And then, she know you left the slim girl.
This
she has one to all of them, so.
The slim girl go breathe for your next man.
How you turn off your thing?
I don't think so. I don't think so at all. But I like when them flexible, but if you mother lame in the one up on him back, so I can't manage anything. I tell him to turn over, he don't want to turn over.
Rough. But, give her a chance, man.
Well, you don't understand me I go through. If you look in the situation where I try to tell her, she not ready yet, man. But,
well, do what you have to do, man. But, now you are sure if you're unsure, you know what I mean?
be sure I know that, man. That
So-
one, if you do interview for me, that means that sure.
Alright, so we are just go on. Do you have to do? But I want to go for a week and see what go on. Or 2 days and then see how I shall go for it.
As me left your mother, me have a call.
Yeah, man. You have to do it, man.
I make him mother, make him come up, and then me and the browning go there, make the browning.
You get a trial. You get a trial and see what go on.
Right, I have the browning allergic to. Me good
But
at,
why second one when you can have all 3 or 4? You're not so mad.
no, man, the thing is, you feel them out and see one is good.
Yeah, get a house
can
brown
get the vibes.
yourself, man. Get a house brown and have a baby mother one different place, man.
No, me in the mate enough. If she mention the house, me borrow the money and buy the house.
Yeah, man. So you just deal with that way that you have 2 of them. You can't put a leg in a one basket.
You know, say right for sure.
So you make it a slim one get where they go with bag and say, you know, go
Sure. I'm moving.
I don't know, you know. But that's like,
Yo, more I get some more tenant, daddy.
yeah, man. We have some new tenant to come, man.
You see right now when we get that, the
Come,
browning there.
top floor, I rent that room, man, you know.
Your man just get one nice slim one too.
Yeah, man. So,
I'm
that's some people
only
like.
browning alone when I want to see you.
Yeah, man. We have some different one that come.
One all of them will come in.
Some people call me.
Oh.
So different girl calls.
Oh, no, rent no man, yeah.
No man, a girl man, but go interview them man.
So you get them for yourself?
That me not want so much daddy, but I think I'll just try get a link off for this third one down there. Because I'm tired of daddy, I'm tired of now.
Just one girl, daddy?
Yeah, I'm tired.
No man, you have to cook for one burner.
Me not, no, but say if you have one burn now, what you do, you cook the meat first. And then you cook the flour next. Then when you ready, add up the meat and the flour water, go to the flour hot. You work, man.
Yo.
We do it, man, we do it already. And we'll do it again.
Alright, we hear the results of them.
Yeah, man, we see what go on. You can't breathe that one here too. So you breathe that.
Man, you're 19, when you hit 25, then you can think about breathe.
Alright.
But if you breathe, we go again.
Alright.
You got to go
So tell her.
No, tell her, man. She said she don't want to breathe until 25. That me like with that.
Alright.
So I think you're second with her. But any other girl, that just
Enjoyment.
enjoyment.
Ah.
No matter how trouble I do, you know.
No, man.
I'll feel me that one.
Eat your food, man.
No, we can't eat no food at all, man. Wagwan mother-in-law. What I'm gonna tell you. Yeah, your daughter good, but sometimes you work, you know, maybe they go and do night shift, you know, and them thing there. So you know me there, you know. Only stay up there with money. Oh boy. No money. Ah, yeah, no. Me going to send, what send the daughter come up in the fee 2 nights. Yeah, man, I said I'll put that money, so if I didn't call her, I'll make she call her, you tell her, I'll make she come up. Yeah, man, that's no problem, man. Yeah, man, I said I'll $15,000 for you. Yeah, I'll some change that, man. Yeah, man, that's buy what you can buy with it. I'm going to put 5,000 more for me. Alright, that's how I'm rate you as a mother-in-law. You understand what I want. Alright, now go inside, go talk to her. Yeah, we're in the yard. Alright, no problem. Yes, Lord! Whoa. Wagwan.
You say burn my face sometime?
Why you bite me? Why you burn you?
Where you come from?
Oh. We go from the river house to some money, you know?
So where money the way you go hustle?
I can't talk to you much, you know. Your mother wants to come up, going to spend 2 nights, I'm going to get her some money differently.
Hold on there. So my mother want me to come up and spend 2 nights and she not call my phone. I'm phone right over there, so.
Alright, call her everything I joke now. Call her, man. I'm finding out. For real. 2 nights. Just 2 nights. Just spend the 2 nights with your mother. Come here, go at home, so.
Where you got home?
No, I want
Who you got home?
No, me I want 24/7 work to do. And the boss say 2 nights. None rest. Big money that. So the baby gonna have a lot of clothes. You know, so from a boy baby, it go cost enough money. So we have to work hard. So that's 2 nights, baby, and then they come back down, sort you out. I know you well want to, you know. So, let's go.
Well, not a problem with that, man. You just go around me, because if you go around me, it's a different thing.
Why would I do that now? Tell me the truth. You know I love you, not true? You know I...
No, man, the way we are roll now, I don't know if you love me or you hate me.
No! I love, listen, this is love. When a man love a woman, he don't panic every night, like he want to mash up something. But me love you, me don't want you break down, so just make you rest. That's love. You have to understand that. You can't go 7 nights, you have work, you know, work, so. You know, work, so you have to rest. Because you can dumb job, you can't work, and can't you call the baby here in your belly.
That is very impossible.
How? Man, remember them back in the days.
I'm not back in the days now. You love to talk about back in the days. I'm not old.
No, I'm not say old because old man walk with stick. One thing I walk
But
with
you don't
stick.
talk about back in the days. Me never born back in the days.
Sometimes why pain? No, we can't manage them there sitting there. We don't pick your twist side way.
Yes, because when the baby is stiff out, it's painful.
Yeah, that's why if you just ease up and low, that alone. Just rest. Eat all you can. Sleep all you can.
Too much sleeping no good.
No man, you sleep at night, so when time the baby push out in sleep at night. Because we can't take it, yeah. Right.
You never know saying no, yeah when you put it there.
I think it is a pill. Cause me buy them come here. And me notice them pluck out one where you do them.
Me I do a pill.
You not so you go and you
I
take it.
take pill.
So you pluck them out, make it, you pluck them out,
Yeah,
you
only
take
the
it.
money to go home and never there to attack.
I'm transferring to your cat, there you go, Jar, you and give your mother cards right now.
Me not get clothes, no can I have clothes on my yard. Yes, we have clothes on my yard and my yard never go.
Alright.
I make sure you transfer money so me can eat.
No.
Me have to tell you cause
2 nights. You want to spend 3 nights?
you know what? I'm take up my headphone.
Alright.
So you want to go in the evening either?
Alright. We spend 40 grand, you can give mother 15 or 20. And you take your rest.
So I don't want to give mother 15 or 20.
Yeah, because we don't tell her.
But they say 30. Anyways, bye-bye.
Yeah, see us travel.
What the son happy doing?
No, mom, I'm sad because I'm going to work at night. I can't
You don't
work at
pretend.
night. No, I'm not pretend for you. It's stressing. Yeah, stress, yeah. Yes. Oh, yeah.
Oh, you know, say me I go here now. Me not come back till me spend 1 2 days up on the road.
Where you go?
I go look for my boyfriend girl. Me get some that tell me get on a new boyfriend.
Yeah, remember.
No new boyfriend. The first boyfriend I'm ever get up here.
So where back the way I carried you?
When I get on bag, when I go look for my man, I have to get on bag. I can wear underpants. I'm not really plan to wear no clothes. Walk up and down naked in the house. I don't live.
Oh, sorry, me have to
I told you come from me no man. I return girl. So me I'm over here now. Yeah. Nobody tell the Rasta nothing because you know me not really want to get no business like that.
Why me I got tell the rest? You know so many restaurants who do chat. I really like it.
Indeed saying like you still but one next time that when you come back.
No, I'm coming. Welcome to my little me casa, you casa. You know?
You know me like your house man.
So we there for 2 nights. They didn't call me have an appointment to deal with it.
2 nights?
Yeah, man, 2 nights are there for. Huh?
It's nice.
Come on, you like it?
One
Say,
nice house I have here.
later. Can't work, no so.
You can get into eat and then we can have a drink and get to know each other more.
So about the workings, you know.
You want to that get to know each other?
Ah! So what you want to eat? You can call and hard,
Yeah, October or something.
Burger. No problem, man. That's a simple thing, man. Sure,
Yeah.
that's all I want tonight.
Yeah, I'm doing Hershey pie.
Want Hershey pie? You know no milkshake.
No.
What do you want? What kind of drinks you want?
Grape.
Grape? Large or medium?
Large.
Melted cheese?
Yeah.
Okay, one cheesy fries. Alright. Yo! Yo man! Yo man! Good on burger king, yeah man, I'll pay you. Buy 2 burger. One number 8.
Yeah.
I want number 7, I don't want I don't want cheese or nothing. One large cheesy fries, and cheesy, yeah. And want an orange juice, no ice, and she want a grape. You want ice in it?
No.
No ice, because when Burger King pour the juice in the ice, they rub it up, so. So when they do that now, you tell them they want an extra cup with ice. Yeah, just beg them the ice. Because if they pour the ice in a cup and pour the drinks on it, you fresh out before you reach here and you rob you some. Yeah. Yeah, man. I want Hershey pie.
Yeah.
Yes, my general. Alright. Good. Anything for you.
You have links of Burger King?
I mean, man. I mean, star, man. I want you. I mean, Michael, you know.
Okay.
The Jackson, but not the one of foreign.
I eat him a Popeye.
Hmm?
You eat him a Popeye?
I did not say.
Yes.
So you know, the Papa is a my family owner.
Are you own the business?
No, my family owner, they name me for me.
Popeye is like fresh to Popeye?
Come on, baby. What my name? Repeat it again.
Popeye.
No, Popeyes.
Oh, Popeyes.
Say Popeyes.
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 Good. We are the general for that, man.
Okay.
There's almost a picture upon you know.
So you can just go in there and get Popeyes anytime you want?
Anytime you want, but we can't carry me like it, so anytime you want, because you don't want nobody to know, say.
Your family.
We are family.
Okay.
They want to keep me secret so nobody don't come rob me. So I say, after tonight when I done this, anything you want, no afraid to ask me.
Yeah.
Cause
We don't want to share the things though. Rest of that up to rent. So like they could have.
no, I'm not talking about that. You don't worry about that.
Okay.
No deal with me. Any rent you ask about, you're sending come to me.
Okay.
So I could do something before I buy come. Buy taxi come. Good, I better see. Flexible. Lord Jesus. Jesus Christ. Well, I don't want to try your wine, your wine. Oh God. Your wine, man, your wine.
Never really know what's going on.
Why? You're with the camera.
I feel sticky, man. I'm sorry, so I ain't get on clothes. You know, so I fall. Might not be able to like me. I go up to some clothes and come back home, spend it in it. Stay out today. All that's on.
We see you coming last night and last night and I was still so.
They just run go up, man. You not take.
You don't want that to sketch up there.
No, man. You want to come back upstairs, man. You like that.
Oh, Jesus, we have the boss. We have the boss that come along. Hello?
Hello.
Where's your man?
May I have to come down tomorrow and I have clinic to go?
You have clinic to go?
Yes, I have clinic to go.
Seriously?
Yes, I have to check up on the break on the baby.
Tomorrow. What time?
Soon, around 6.
6. Alright, yeah. Alright, do your thing.
Alright.
Yeah.
Who that be?
Boss, you have to go still come.
The boss?
Yeah, man, come. You have to go, man.
So, almost do go people and come back?
No, man, me tell you when they can come back, man. No, me call look for you too, you don't worry about that. Yeah. Let your panty, man. Hold your panty, man. Wow. Alright, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, take care. Down the aisle? Like baby aisle, we have some baby aisle for me.
The baby aisle we are in the bathroom.
Go for it. You have all night, man. No day. The 2 days here, your friend gone for. And this 1 day gone already. You have 1 more day. Oh, yeah, man, jump off, man. Yeah, but I'm not there, I'm there for town, I'm there Kingston. Don't link me till weekend. Alright.
Let's do that.
Some business soon.
What leave me put in there?
No.
Little bit.
Shoulder.
Just a shoulder.
Never massage spine. Must never do one class, you know.
No class.
My hand there, go down, color.
What you tell Brownie say? What you tell her say?
No.
Me she talk about you talk about like.
Different something.
Different something. Remember I just sleep, you know?
You don't sleep tonight, yeah, get me ready for tonight one night. Last time we chat one night, so tonight we go work one night.
What's your?
So fast.
Girl, how you say 2 nights you stay?
You're moving.
No, but she said 2 nights you have to stay. So she ain't alone.
So wait, then tell me say not like Rasta.
No, it's a massage con.
Better look at massage.
You tell me to give you a massage.
Yeah, can you know just feel. So good though. Then can you say now they have a 2 nights? We'll take a whole night massage. Then go play massage.
No, you can't see I look at him back.
Oh,
massage.
Yeah,
you look like.
so I told me come here, take your time and go in on Rasta.
Yeah, because we can't do one day, you know, so the part that are confidential, we mixing the business with pleasure. So, like, we'll get back on the road and do another. Come finish massage for me and do another. Alright. Now, clap.
Alright, Rasta. Well, you just realize again, you tell me how you know that Rasta man and you are Rasta on your bed, eh?
I'm massage.
If we did come 5 minutes later, it won't in your ride, eh?
Let me tell you something. That guy. I don't know if I say this, but he just come to out there blue say he wants a
But you
massage.
still like Rasta, you know?
Well,
The very first day when me I left and tell about Rasta. Who me don't like Rasta, me don't like Rasta, me don't like Rasta, me don't like Rasta. Now you have Rasta on bed and give Rasta big massage. Eh?
because he asked for it. I figure say probably if we give him the massage, he cut off piece off of her head. So.
You get massage and give him massage and
No,
massage.
not
And
like
massage. You won't like massage, they will give him.
we are going to finish him massage.
Here, you're going to finish around 2.
Here.
Here.
Rather,
Here.
you see, they can't say, man, come over, but can't come over, you know. Kind of house are refurbished. See your problem there.
What?
Yeah, all of them can't never go sleep.
So when you go look for you?
Huh?
So when your house will stop refurbished?
I don't know, maybe go 2 weeks.
So when you can't come over here to come stay with me, not come remember say.
No, when time, night time come and we talk and see us.
Then again, you can't tired for your walk come so far. Or you come and pick me up. You know, so this one nice co-host to me road. And you say mother bite.
Yeah, bye.
But then most of them not work. I'm not really have that kind of money.
How much is it?
1.5 well.
1.5.
And me I said, B, to your house look nice. Me I said, you could have one nice And my future me as right here, so you understand? And we could be here in the yard.
Well, when I talk about baby, that's a different story, but any other thing else we can do, really.
We don't have the house for yourself.
True. You're right.
And the roof, you see the roof is nice, you can just climb, come up here. And then roof here with the high part.
No, that's
you
good.
can keep a party up.
Yeah. I don't want to touch my money, so I'll borrow bank money instead of my money. So I'll borrow the 1.5 and can come give you. I go purchase the house.
Yeah, man. We don't even purchase it like home, you understand? 50-50.
Yo, no, see, I would bear the man.
Yeah.
Yo, yeah, then. I know we can trust your cards.
Yeah.
You say I'm purchasing like 2 hours. We think you say purchasing of your can just say that money will bother about the money.
You have further plans for employing. You just want to stop here, so. After we have the house, then we are going to feel more settled. We can do other things.
Like
think about family if you want.
no.
Because we really like you. I'm thinking that settled down with you, understand?
Oh my God, man.
But we just not like the idea of you come over there so you neighbor them so no family can see you.
Well, obviously, neighbor have to fast. Anywhere you go, your neighbor not fast. It's not a good neighborhood. Because if anything you want over your yard and somebody can kill your neighbor have to fast to see who kill you.
True.
So if you live in a here and nobody not did it, better you move.
That's true.
So, I'm going to borrow the money tomorrow. I'm going to make it get
Tomorrow?
Yeah, man. First thing in the morning.
Like this one and that.
Me I go to the bank, borrow the money and carry come again. And at night, you deal with it. And then...
So you sure some can't come over here tonight?
No, me said over there already.
So we have to
and
sleep.
can't have to sleep.
Oh, in the car.
Because we can't sleep over here.
Alright.
So, what I'm going to wish
Just carry to get the house, babe. Tomorrow morning, as if you give me money, we are going to look upon you right away because more.
No, as we get to that man, you know.
Yeah. Of course, then I'm not going to dilly-dally with the money.
You know, dilly-dally with the money.
I make no harm to it.
We can't bother the phone right now.
Exactly.
Hold on, I'm going to talk about this. Alright, we can't take foolishness, you know. See foolishness, you know, ramp with foolishness sometimes, you know. Alright, so tomorrow morning, put the palm note. 1.5 million. Alright, you know what it is. Everything nice.
Yeah, man.
Never have to 6 years. Because I say I would never catch 6 years on your one pick because you're 19 and 25. You're a good girl. You like that. There's some girl you do like what you do. You'll have a better girl to the day. Some of them fool. They don't think that. They just breathe and mash up themselves. I want to tell them burden for a man sometimes. But I like how you program good.
Yeah, because I feel something before you get child because child is cheaper. The things that I might pick you have to wear the best and the best.
No, man, me don't teach you something in life. Child cheap. If you look at that way your child cheap, you know why child expensive? Some woman have a bad mind in them. You know what it is? Let's teach you something. Because you don't breed yet, you know, so you don't know. I'm going to teach you for now. So when you breed, your mark is in the head saying if you do it. Alright, you have some baby mother. If you don't breed them, and you then catch up on left, and then you take up on next girl. So when you say take up on next girl, Lord God, everything pressure upon you.
No, I'm not talking about that.
Everything they upon you because...
You're talking about like Pampers.
No, then you don't listen.
Right?
A baby mother make them expensive, make them sound like they're expensive because you take up on next woman and you don't want them again.
They want to double the price for you.
Then when got a courthouse and they know say they'll get cheap. Then fool. When they got a courthouse, they get cheaper.
I like that. You used brag, but you know, baby must have them little something. Some baby when you smell them, anyway, baby must have that baby smell. Like,
they not go on again. Because everybody does cheap out.
Yeah, them not. Even other day, me a call one baby skin no feel like, you know, baby skin must smooth.
Yeah, because they not buy no baby iron.
Like something that me a talk about. Why you gonna have a baby and you not treat him or her the right way? Them are gonna use wrong soap, be them wrong lotion. baby not use lotion, they must use oil. Baby oil them something there. Me might not have none, but me know a little stuff about them, you understand?
Right.
And then you see some baby, them in a some little like a second hand something them.
Yo, look wrong with second hand.
Yeah, but them look wash out and wear out. At least make it look brand new. You know?
You know, say you move like the one. You see, you still a move like this baby man and them when they left them and take up different women and so then tan.
No, but me don't want my picnic really look packed down. I want my picnic look up and good and fresh and like a nice little baby. Me don't want my picnic look like my sorry for charity.
Yeah, I'm going to teach you something in life. Picnic are expensive again. I'm going to tell you one more time. It do not dare. If you push out your baby now, you only want 12 suit thing when it's just bad. That's too much too. You see when they take him out of that one, you wash it and put it on the wire and keep going, right?
Baby change 12 suit a day. Where you talk about?
I wish baby to change 12 foot a day.
You don't know nothing about baby then. When baby get wet. Alright, so if your baby do and sweat up.
I'm baby,
you want me to have an argument about baby now?
No.
When them drool, them are going to wet up. So they have to go automatically the clothes are change. The dribbler.
Right.
Dribbler can't work. Sometimes I see dribbler they wear on and they neck back.
Well, when time at daytime, you don't put on no clothes for the car so now.
But me not have a child. Me we buy the horse but not the child yet. You know really?
We don't want no so we have
yeah. Just make sure tomorrow we get to buy the horse. So here, in future if you come we have a child.
We're not talking about chicken right now.
Alright. Yeah,
don't mention going up.
Right now we have a
Chicken expensive.
Exactly.
Chicken dear.
You don't see not yet when they start talking them go and come up and they say daddy me want that day. You're going to share because if you
No, man. You teach us something. You grow your picnic in your yard and you teach him certain things.
Yeah, but still picnic and picnic.
No.
If when a Christmas time and they see people like them, they all say
listen. You teach your picnic them. You study what they like from what they don't like. You say they are picnic with ready eye, you don't care go a road, because you shame. You say a picnic with wanty, you don't can go around the left. You see, once you stay continue with my yard, when they can go around, you will beg again. You see, if you can the first time and you continue, you don't can go road. That's what you do them and they will learn. You see, pick the river how they learn. You understand? If they see a thief, they must thief. If they see a smoke, they must smoke.
that's true.
If you carry a man in the one room house and a work, they have a work to no matter what age. Because of what they see, they learn. You understand? So that's why when they get to picnic, you don't keep them under one roof with no man at work. You send them go to school, then you work. No matter wait 2 a night, you think they must sleep. The bed has to make night.
You're smart, you know.
So they must get up. No one.
We used to peep on my mother and father.
They don't have me a child show you.
So me know.
That's why I say picnic. Them brain fully equipped. Me see one I show my man down the road, gun finger me, I say look at the correct. Look at him already. And he don't reach nowhere. All me know if I'm here that the man will clap him pan and gun finger yeah. Make him set up. Every time you look past someone else, that's what his hand said.
But me and you had this conversation. Remember in Tingamani?
When I remember me remember.
Alright.
Remember say, "Mom, we have fun."
Yes, too.
My little young feet, 19, you know what I mean? Alright, you have nothing to do with it?
Yeah, man, thanks. Later.
Oh, God. I'm weak. Oh, God.
Sweet too, Marco. Yeah, girl. I feel like my man cheat on me. First of all, he not give me no sex when me ask. He ma move side then like him a crab. And when he send me up on my mother, I'ma come back in and the room smell like, you know, me don't want to spell out it, but you know me I talk about. Yeah, me, you know me, I'm me neat.
Me left my house tidy and come go see it untidy. Yeah, but me a plan for him. Me a set him up. Not just what I tell him say. I go up to my mother, pretend as if we gone, and sneak in back. Cause I have to find something. I have to find proofs to match it. Yeah. Alright, you call her. Where you come from?
Huh? No, we must have been trying to never deal with a mission for me later.
Look for the time.
No, that's the one I just said. I want to 7:30 here.
You don't know what time to come here yet.
No, but so much for me, man. We didn't deal with the money mission, man.
You ever had deal with money mission? Anyways, want to go from mother now.
Yeah.
She feels sick, so me have to go.
Yeah, man, go on. You want money free.
So you rush me, so?
No, that's them saying mother feel sick. I mean, I don't like that, so. No, so I'm going to go. So you just go and take care of me and tell me, say, like, all of you are one of them. Yeah. So, you know, because, remember I say, family come first. No matter what happens, family always.
Sweet you guys, so are you?
Listen.
Bear in mind.
No, but come here. Let me teach you something. You see, what sweet you can't tell me. So it's when you talk a bullshit you talk. Me, I be a good man, I try to water down my thing. Why?
May I try to water down your thing?
Why?
How may I try to water down your
You
thing?
be an honest man to you and you are gone so to me.
Anyways, the time I get late, I need to go to mother.
So I know you have to pay mother?
Then I could have went tomorrow. You know, hear so she's sick.
How
And you see a man rush me and now you ask me for...
How are you going to come back?
Not 2 days time.
2 days, so you mean, man? You can't go and do it because she folk on the gate.
So, you're not doing me fair. I want your plan to make work.
No, baby, just drop the money off your can. Come on,
Alright, we'll see in a 2 days time.
2 days, you say no? You can take 2 more days if you want, yeah?
2 days, we say. We never say 4.
Alright, love. When you come back, me give you what you want, yeah?
Yeah, I hear you.
Thank you, Jesus, we can't keep running. Come over here tomorrow night, man. Lord and blood. Yes. Alright, nice.
So, that place furnished.
No, man, I'm not disappointed when I had a partner.
I never done it yet, though.
Anyway, you leave the house, right?
Yeah.
Not like this one like that. So, you know what I'm saying? What you think you like, you know?
But, what you know? You gonna need 20,000 a month if you don't, because you have no chop. You understand?
You don't worry about that, man. Sit down. You don't know what I do, man. You don't know how the thing come down. You're a nice piece of girl, you know, man. And you're my future wife, you know, so I'm single. You have to live, you know, but you know, so every time you go to work, the work I do, like say, if I left Monday, I now come back until Thursday or Friday. So, you know.
We don't understand.
Right, so, I talk to my boss to say, I'm going to need time with my wife, Friday to Sunday, and then Monday we go out and work again, and come back to you Friday evening, and then talk to my boss, you know. I said that for you.
I miss you still.
Don't worry, man, I have everything planned out for me and you. How we all live together, you know, Monday to Friday, me and you, and then, Monday to Friday, me there work, and then Friday to Sunday, me and you chill out, isn't it?
Yeah.
Our new home and things, because you know, very in love, you know.
Yes, we catch you red-handed.
I would say when I come here.
With the gun.
Don't I think you say that boy, man, of 2 2 days.
How about this?
Yeah, you take me the girl.
That's what I'm saying, woman, this year.
I'm a baby father.
Baby father.
So this year do when you send me up to my mother.
I really this has to be a breed. No man let me down.
Look.
And I brought something in your date.
Brown something.
No, hold on.
I really disabled you like a bullfrog.
No, listen man.
I inbreed them, look like bullfrog.
No, listen man. I'm scared.
I don't want to give me no sex. Can't have another woman a grind.
Look here, I'll tell you something. You might be in baby mother, but I'm me him love you here. And me him give $1.5 million to go buy house. What you talk about?
Okay.
Look here, lady, take yourself a little belly from out here, yeah?
So
and me
you're
and woman. You didn't tell me that you have woman? Why don't you tell me that?
No.
Talk.
Look here.
No.
You might be impregnated with people, but let me tell you something. Who you call? You know me?
No,
Where she come from? What can I tell me about she?
Alright, one more, me talk.
You know what? I'm glad somebody don't want me to become an wicked. Anyway, I'm gonna let you out. Don't touch me.
Where you come now?
No, me house. Where you go ask me why me come now? Me not entitled to come on me yard.
Yeah. Man up now. I'm be a man. No. You see my little brown thing there? You see her? She well steady and she fire it. So we buy a house. I want to live together. You better the baby. We can't get no satisfaction. Properly, you're bored. You can't live down by your back. So, all the while.
And you breathe me at the stairs, so.
First time you used to fire it. First time you had to hope that's so with you. Me hope that's
so if you hope that's so with you.
Me the van jet
big belly.
But now we understand of my style. We're used to that.
You hear what?
Me not used to that, girl. What?
I am leaving.
You can't go on. Me and my brownie.
So you and your brown 4-foot donkey can have a nice time. Me and my baby, well, alright. Me not gonna stress over one man, no crazy.
Man, your baggage, your handbag. We have my little slim brownie. We over here, we wine. See how the bed broke there. She wine. Bright.
I need to hold you in my arms. I need a vacation. 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 You know what I've seen? The dream. The dream. The dream. The dream. Dream. After.
You see you?
Wait.
You got this
Yeah,
on
no,
your
wait.
You know, see, I want to mix up you, Rasta.
What you say about now?
You and Papa are virgin, right?
Yeah.
So you tell me, say, you don't know, say, man, a big old baby mother with big old belly?
What part?
What you mean? Look like he almost pop.
No, I don't know about them something, man. I want to hear them story there.
Me
I want to tell them story there.
Me over there, you know.
Mm.
So me come check him, you know.
Yeah.
By the time we bam and did if you get down to business, that woman me see her come through door, a whole back a come so.
Yes, when mankind do, I cannot know what they do. Me never say we have.
So all this time when he ma tell me say me can come over and me a work and team house a furbish and me can come. Allah him a tell me, a woman he have over there in baby man at that too, and the girl want come go on like say she want, but you know what me do?
I never know. You that say single.
You know, see I told me come from a grand spend, me come from a bad place, me come from
yeah, me don't know say a gangster for the first time I went place, me know say a gangster come from. Yeah. Got money in the middle.
Rasta.
Yeah.
That woman don't know me, you know, and you know what?
No, nobody them something, man. But me know
me
about
and
that
him added our plan to buy house together and give $1.5 million to buy house. You know what me I can do? I go about my business. Me I can go up a town.
So I can put money on
yep. No, Rasta, you couldn't know. You don't say I'm my virgin like that.
But we never know see no woman though. We never
But
know.
me, I left here tonight. Me not go you no rent, right?
No man, you're good man.
Yeah.
But you can't left a little change still.
With the fatty, alright.
You left a little change.
Yeah man, me only found little change down here with the fatty.
Alright.
Anyways,
You don't know about that though man.
you really know it?
No, I never know about that man. How you know?
Ah, you know, sir, Rasta, me I keep
Yeah, them sex.
Of course.
No, but I never know.
Multiple times.
No, but no, me say me wanna know that. Why me wanna know?
Multiple times.
But say why me wanna know? Me say why me wanna know?
Because you know in a
Me
room.
not come out on a place.
But
No,
you're
me
my
not come
virgin,
out.
so you tell me say.
But if you come and come tell me say you have like a moon. Me have to believe what you say as a friend. Wrong or right? You say you go up a back a town now. If you say you got town, me can't say about it because me not come and town you. Talk it short. You could have got a country if you want. Me don't know where you go. But do your thing though.
But Rasta, I burn me, you know. Because I need that he take me fine.
No, you go.
Because, you know what I say? At this morning, I go down there and call the people them. And nobody now answer when me call and say, like they gone. It's like a jag give me the sign, Rasta. Say, don't go buy your house. I did buy house.
Oh, you go for buy the house today?
Yes, today me plan to go buy the house, Rasta.
I wanna go to nobody. That girl.
So let's sign that.
Alright,
By
so,
time I come
but you
back
have the money though?
I have the money account.
That
That
time
time
you
I go.
Alright, go on.
Big up. That's
Okay.
I have a number
Yeah,
you
man,
can
yeah,
keep
man,
contact with you.
Yeah, man. Yo, nigga. You wanna know? One girl got chubby now, I'm pretty. Yo, yeah, me man. Come out, nice, man. Come out, nice. Yeah. When I tenant them, I say, look a brown on there. The girl traveled $1.5 million tonight. I left out of the lane. I want you go pay him and take it off him, you know. But you want to mass up. No talking. You just stick him up and take him money off him. But give him money because he can reach back a town the party come from though. Give him money back out tight. But and take your side. Give him 50,000 out tight. That means at least he can reach up, eating breakfast, eating lunch, eating dinner for 1 week or 2 or 3. But take your rest of the money. Not hurt her, you know. I don't want a strong pan her hurt her. I look a friend like that. But want her lose her, not go do all man money. I take the money. Yo, you get a piece side. Yo, what's with the money in half and half. Cause my link, cause my think about you have to do work. Yeah, what? Yo, just do that and page me. Alright? Alright, now the back from rehearsal. I'm gonna can go too damn just music.
Alia, girl, right now, me have to go in and tell us, you know. You know, say, I go out with the boy papa yard and say me and him gonna have a merry time. And nothing but me see woman coming with big old belly popping so about him a baby mother.
Baby mother?
Yes! Yes, I mean, say man a wicked and lad, you know. You know, say last night him give me, in a morning give me $1.5 million to go buy a house. That's what things say me there. You go down at the place, you buy the house. And the people they gone. Like a just give me size to not buy no house. Because they buy house, we could go back for the money.
I'm not paying money. Practically, him give it, so I would have paid money if he was buy. But we have
him give me the money to buy the house for me. Right? So him have woman over there and he never tell me say him have a woman pregnant. So when he did want to tell me for idiot, and tell me how house are furnished. Me go over there, not a house of furniture. Saying like, I'll tell me since that me go over there and tell me about how. Him I was see me Monday and Tuesday and the rest of the day then him a go out. The time then woman him a plan to come over there, you know. Anyways, me have the money, me I take my time and go back to Kingston because him can't come up over there, you know. Him can't come over there, he want you see if he come over there, I tell him say, me go back a grand spin and if him feeling bad he come up there, I'm going to hear 2 man turn up out and gate. If he come up there, him and them go beat him, kill him. Tell him that day. Because I can't believe say.
So you're not, you can give me some money before you go?
You know say I be in US and give me thing and so.
Send this to me account, you know mother, just
we will link your man, but make him know say if him feel like saying can trail me have security guard.
So you're living in Nigeria?
Right now, I don't want him to come back and catch me because I don't want to hear nothing what I have to say. After me gonna take the money buy a house for living with him and he have woman. He's a wicked man.
You will have money for yourself then?
Yes. You know, him want 2 woman. Why you want 2 woman? You want man, I want 2 woman. See? Him get the 2 of them, he lose all now.
Alright,
Him
yeah.
want win, him lose win.
Time when they reach up, girl.
I wonder if me can get tone bus, but if me can take tone bus,
You pay one man to carry you.
I have money.
Are you kind of want hotel fee next?
Remember when me tell him say if him feel say no come up there, so come up the fee.
Alright. How would that?
A browning boyfriend.
Running boyfriend?
Yeah.
Alright. You do it watch it. Tell me do it open.
I'm browning the phone for no one. We need to move tonight.
Yeah, Browning not here anymore. Browning is not here. Browning leave.
No, man. No. Browning and my woman, isn't it?
Browning come say you see her baby mother over there, so she pack up her things and gone. And give me a message to give you. He say if you ever think you're bad, please say I come up and grand spend come look for you.
No, but
listen me now. He said the $1.5 million way you give her, she go down this morning and nobody never done this, so she nobody buy the house. So you see $1.5 million way you give her now, she have go with it and she go pay 2 bad man to turn up her gate and I'm go show them a picture of 1 bag of calamity. So if you ever think you're bad, chill behind him, because grandfriend, him and then go kill you, beat you, for that him say. He said if you come up there, something up there, I get a real with you.
you want to Browning really robbing for 2?
How Browning rob you? You want all, you lose all. You tell the girl say that I know other woman and you have baby mother, how can I tell them there's a big man?
No, but you don't understand. The big mother here now move. How you want him to move?
Yeah, because she pregnant, you don't expect that. You need to settle yourself with the baby mother. If your baby mother never depend on good terms, you leave her and come to it, Browning. You know what? You can't do it 2 women at once.
No, but the plan, we did a very call the plan to everybody happy. So, me and Browning, they all live in their house, and from Monday to Friday, with their baby mother yard.
How that could have work?
Yes.
You know, say if I didn't like Browning, me tie you up and beat you.
Well, I don't want to see anything, I'm going to
I
love man.
see anything, what kind of thing that one can spend something there get a little
Because I borrow bank money and my money.
How would you tell if you got it, sir?
I borrow bank money.
Don't come
I'm not going to work hard to pay off that now.
me my problems of my own. One if I can spend some up there, I'll lay away till I get me say go and go look for
You know what? That's what we know which part of a grand spell you live.
Exactly. But if you even go and get a grand spend and say, yo, no, I'm Browning. On the Monday here, you call bro. They kill when they go up there.
Thanks to you up ahead.
So you know you do? I'm going to try to get back your baby mother.
Pack up and go, honestly.
She done?
Yes.
You see the same thing? You want all, you lose all. You know, if you love yourself, you make you have man.
I don't really somebody want ask you know, but sometimes in life you need a second hand box thrown within the meantime.
You know, I've been a one burner.
I'm not say one girl and a woman, but me say him push out the baby, he can't go do that again.
All the day wait for him.
Can't wait so long, 6 months.
We'll see that 6 months. In order, you bet you wait 6 months more than lose it forever now. You lose it 2 of them now. Have a good night. More than much for a show.
That's the landlord up there.
Suppose so. I'm not sure. I'm not go to... No, I'm not seeing for him.
Oh, you want to know how smart him like your friend love the young guy?
Because I'm not saying no.
No, I said nothing about that. You argue yourself now. Everything good.
What boy?
All when I see him, I know the friends.
All man I see, I'm going to wicked and lie.
I don't lie, woman, so... Yeah. What is this?
Lock the door.
Yeah, alright.
Yeah, lock the door.
Alright, yeah? Oh boy. Rasta. Wagwan. Just go down here. The house, I'm going to check for the ground. You know, don't let.
Oh.
Next girl, I tell me she pack up and gone.
Yeah, man, she passed and tell me earlier, I said, boy, she come over here. Oh, you make the girl come over here, come separate your baby mother, yo.
No, I'm the man, tell me, I walk, go spend 2 days with his mother. And boom, I see that come back down the night.
She suspect your man already back for you, plant you then. You know, see now. She said she gone back at all.
Go back at all with me $1.5 million.
She have money for her?
No, you don't buy the house. You don't buy the house. The friend just tell me, say she gone with it. And she go pay a man to tell her by doorway. And wait for me.
So how you give one 1.5? Where can you buy yours? Let me see that for your name.
Just like that, she said she go buy enough for me and I need something. Just like, go give me money and then take my baby mother and call me again. That part of it, somebody and go check her at the same time while she can go and buy the house.
Oh boy, rough.
The worst part, I'm big mother pack up and go and let me.
So I told him to lose one time? But yeah, I tell him to build his baby mother, you know. I build, but you know, yeah.
That's it.
Rough. Oh, I'm using me there, I go and fix up car that I have to try go nice to the I try make a month to go do and to try boss. I want a music video, you know. So by tomorrow I touch the road. So try, cause some music I try there, you know. I try something different.
Yo,
Yeah, man.
yo, I feel like I just kill myself, man.
Yo, what you do? The baby mother have to come back here, cause one thing. Nothing I'm going up for them place. So just calm myself and go look some work. And we get that 1.5 there, more there.
I'm back with borrow it.
Yes, you pay off and borrow one more again.
You know how much I had for it? $1 million.
Yeah.
So at 2.5, you have to pay back.
Yes, so you pay it back and continue.
Then if you are fooling me, so if you borrow 1.5 and end up paying $1 million for me, then I have to let me pay back 200.
But you have some money put on one side, use my money you have, you have bad money, you have money.
I don't want to touch that yet, man.
Touch it, man. Just touch it. Touch it. You know, that's a life go, you win or you lose. One thing my granny said, never lend somebody or give somebody more than what you can lose. Never, yo, do that.
Yeah, you can lend me 2.5.
Me, never lend more than what I can lose. We can't lose dollars, so I'm gonna lend dollar. Right now, I'm telling you more music video, and about 50,000 to 60,000, 80,000, 90,000. Then I reach on this, you look at oh, high grade more, you could have got 200,000. I'm in the first dollar, so I'm not worried about that. I'm just going to practice music, you know. Because I need a vacation, I'm new song like that, I work on and all. So, yo.
You see anyone who book that girl? Anyone who book that
I
girl?
told you, you know, so careful, because I'm better than my body with them. So, nobody know violence to them. Yeah, you give them
about
it,
violence.
then go on.
No, I'm going to pay for it.
Alright.
Yo, that's not sleep, you know. Not because you want hard. Alright.
So I go one time lose all my birthday.
Alright.
That's my next single. But I want a vacation I know. I need a vacation. A vacation. What?
You want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want you to know. Secrets die in your heart so slow.
Shanique!
Yes, mommy?
Come here.
Yes, mommy?
Okay, so. What's up?
Nothing.
What have you been up to?
I was washing the dishes.
Okay, great. That's my daughter. One more thing, I'll be going on the road, right? At the bank, as a matter of fact, to check on my account because I'm seeing some cash missing. And I don't want what happened to you saying simply about happened to me. It won't be nice because I have the rent to pay. And I'm not seeing the money reflected in my account. You understand? So I'll be heading out shortly.
Alright, mommy, be safe on the road, okay? Because remember, money are hunger, so you know you have to be careful on the road and drive safely also.
Wait a second ago. Drive safe on the road. So when since mommy start to drive, be patient. We're getting there. Understand? But focus on the rent for now. I can't even buy food sometimes much this car. You're funny though. Trust me, you are.
Alright, well, just be safe on the road.
Alright, you know, call me if anything.
Alright. Come back sweetie for me.
Oh my god. You know, I'll just get this instead. And please, be safe, alright?
Yes, mommy.
Alright. Put this inside the kitchen so you can always eat something.
Okay. Remember, sweetie, no, mommy.
Which one again?
Twizzlers.
Twizzlers. Alright, love you.
Love you too.
Alright.
Yo, mommy gone in or forward now? Alright, hurry up.
Girl, you know the milk pretty far from come with this girl. So what about me to call me?
Girl, look how I'm asking for the boy number and you can't send me. Me have to call her and I remind you about him. And you know some like the boy.
Girl, if me did have a number, I would have sent it to you. I have it.
So if you don't have a number, you never tell me that long time. So nobody will have a number. Girl, I really want to talk to the boy.
Girl, calm down. Calm down, my girl. You still have a chance. We can go down there and always there up on Saturday.
Girl, so now that if it's a long time, I'm there kill up myself over it. So we can go down this Saturday now.
But, guess what? You have a girlfriend.
Well, I don't care if you have a girlfriend enough. I want him, we have to get him.
Alright, you can't tell me no about you. I don't give a damn. I'm going for that boy. I want him. We have to get him. Bado. That is it. Alright, so. I believe it. Good boy. Husband. So far, husband. Outside of yeah, man. Send the most people come give me. What? That's what the man said the most people come give me. Find you man overseas. Right now, I need some money to pay the rent. But the man just send the money come give me and next thing dump me after. You got here. You got Rachel. Can't believe it though. Alright. Hi, daughter. Hi. Hello. What's your name? Hi, how are you? What's your name?
Hi, I'm Hila.
Nice name. So I guess you're my daughter's friend or classmate or whatever, right?
Friend.
Okay, so what you guys been up to?
Just have to go through some past paper.
In first thing. What are you studying?
One past paper.
Past paper. This is LG Owner's Manual, LED TV. So you're practicing how to make a TV? Are you lying to me now?
No.
Are you lying to me now?
No, mommy.
I don't know you as a liar. I don't grow you like that as a matter of fact. So what's the problem now? I hope you don't want to influence my daughter negatively, child. I hope not. I've never seen my beautiful daughter lie to me. Never. I've never seen that.
Mommy, it's a prank.
Where's the camera?
I hide it. And it wasn't really for camera anyways. Just wanted to get a reaction to us doing that.
Okay, all this.
You get a good mommy?
Interesting. Let's see about that. All the best. I can't believe you. Hello? Hi, good day. Who is this? You mean by who is this? Oh, landlord. Oh, yes, sir. I have to move out. For real? We can't like see each other and talk it out. Oh gosh, man. This is final. Alright, no problem. Alright, no problem. Thanks. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Hello?
Hello.
What?
Babe, I'm stressed out right now.
With what?
It's like I'm homeless now. My landlord no kick me out. So I need to go today. I have to leave today. Can you imagine it?
So why are you shouting at me here? Just start decent man.
I'm sorry, babe. I'm just upset, you know. It's just 3 months, 3 months, you know. My older man look at my grandpa me. Remember say over 5 years, me there so stay. I'm just a 3 months rent. I'm gonna lose a good client.
You know, say I'm glad since I'm gonna pay the rent. You know, let me tell you to come live with me, but you have the landlord money.
So what should I do now?
You must pack up and come live with me. Are you alone still? Send a daughter go Empire Yard.
Why?
Listen to me, are you alone in the theater for?
Babe, I can't say that. You can't love me and don't love my child. You have to accept me, accept my child. What's the sense in that?
So you follow what people say, if you can't love the calf, you can't do the woman too?
Exactly my point. You understand? Should I come with my daughter or not? Should I take her?
If she have bananas on her hand are very heavy or not light, no problem.
You don't have to worry. My daughter is the perfect princess ever. Alright? Alright, I'll be there shortly.
Alright, but when I yard still so you can go and stay there. Then they find a work, on a 3-day work. So they come down. You don't tell her about me though.
Soon.
See, same thing. See it? The same thing.
Anyways, no problem. Because I have a spare key, so I'll just use it to go in since they're not there. Alright?
Alright, sugar. Take care, yeah?
Thanks, babe. Love you.
And one thing too. Tell your daughter, say no. When in my yard, current and water bill is on a low budget. She not be paid 3 or 4 times a day. She be paid at least 1 time for the day. Save me water. And our 4th, make sure you charge 1 time for the day. If it's dead today, dead today. And charge it tomorrow. Because now I make JPS pad my bill.
So why so much rules and regulation? Because we're homeless, you're going to babe?
No!
You're going to babe?
And that's how some people homeless. Because then when I use building now, consider say one day go cut off. But anyway, with the power, so later. Go on down there. Take care of yourself. Love you.
Mommy, you look so stressed out. You hungry now?
You're talking about hungry. Right now, I don't want big calamity right now. See that the last food I have, the last taste bad food I just ate because you can still, you know, like ate up food. So I just ate up little food and just eat it. They are enjoying little taste bad food. Guess who call me?
Who call it daddy?
Daddy who? That destruction. That disgrace. No sir, not him call me. Girl, guess who? No, the landlord. Me there enjoy my food. Miss K, Shannon, you have to pack up and go. After 5 years, almost 6 years I've been living and staying in this place, paying my rent on time. Majority of the times I'm paying my rent. But because I'm home for just 3 months, I go say me can't stay here. So today, me and you have to pack up and leave. Man, I'm no if you stay. Thank God some flower man just the other day.
So mommy, where we go stay if you kick we out?
Well, your mommy have been seeing this guy for quite some time now. This nice fine guy. And we'll be going there. Should I say your stepfather? Are you to be daddy?
Stepfather? And you wait till now just to tell me about stepfather, mommy?
Well, me wouldn't know this data. You have a point there. But guess what? There is a secret that every parent should have and a child should never know. I can't tell everything. Why should I?
Okay, you're not pack up my things.
Come back. Just a minute. Sit down. Let me talk to you. You see, where we're going is not the same place as here. So I expect you not to do what you do here there. Over there, there are so many rules and regulations that which you must follow. I expect you to make me proud. I must say, I'm my yard, you go people yard. You're to be daddy. Do you understand?
No, call no daddy.
Let's say about that. One pack of stuff now. Be quick.
Okay, so when I get up some now and come up the other things then?
More likely, yes, of course.
Alright.
You know, we should leave the option and soon upon you now.
What go on, big time?
What there?
I know some people push out of the area. Where are you dealing?
Why we have a woman that we step out and so long coming.
Yo, if you step in them, you have to be careful. Right? Serious thing. They will set you up. See, I try to step on them. Come see, look one they prep up himself, you know. Careful, he go set you up.
No man can't set me up.
One of them try to set me up, you know. But true is I use more work with a lot of technology. Maybe I try to catch him mother or do something wrong and set a camera. And when she try to set me up now, that means that evidence against she. So anything I do, but if this left you alone here with she, just put on one camera in one place. But you know, she will try to set you up. Anyway, we have some things to deal with still. Fixing the nonsense, do the right thing. Stepdaughter, step this, stepdaughter, step one step.
You can't have a point, you know.
Next stepdaughter.
What does that happen still?
Stepdaughter than grandpa. Here?
You can't then.
You know what you do? Breathe the man. Breathe the man. So when the man left you, somebody else become a stepfather. Just continue to breathe and move. Breathe and move. Breathe and move.
Why, yo? Well, you can't have a point.
Hello, Mom. From morning, just get up here, snack. I can't cook. Can't you cook?
I couldn't better pick up, you know. You do take too long. I'm really hungry.
Oh, in first thing, but just make sure, say, see these same snacks, hope them can last until next 2 weeks. Cause if it done, it just done. It just done.
But mommy, you know, say if I did teach me how to cook more, I can go run the stove and look about something that I complain about the snacks them.
Listen to me, child. For your information, I can't teach you everything. And when I was as young as you, my mother didn't teach me how to cook. My 5 senses taught me. So I hope your 5 senses can also teach you. I can't teach you everything about cooking and all that. No, that's not my job.
Yeah, mommy, me get what you're saying, but you can at least help me out, show me like something what to do. Me not gonna just know what to do. Me say you don't teach me nothing at all, you know. Me don't know if to do nothing at all. You never help me or nothing.
Listen, for information, I taught you how to construct your words properly, how to speak, how to read and to write. So that's a lot. Thanks be to God. What that? Hi, who are you?
I'm here to friend me as a cook to my mom.
Interesting. Do you think of it is the first I'm hearing of this? How comes? But what's the name, by the way?
Mommy, I question the girls for you. You say at your friend and you always come cook. You think I come cook your food? You hungry?
Listen to me, Miss Shanique. You chat too much. You know this lady? Hey, suppose you want to consume poison, you know her?
Hey, green bud, tapping head.
Stupid.
Mommy, why you girl call that like a green bud?
But not take that for a Thursday. But not take it. What are you? A parrot or something? Get up and go your bed. Go to your room. Yeah, green bud. Ronnie, you want some of my food?
Yeah, honey.
Hi, I'm Keisha and Watson. Anyways, what more on this story? Sorry, you look at me like that. I'm the lady of this house, whether Matty is a friend or not. And I want to know what you
Hello.
I want to know.
Hello, I cook. Please don't put me with them.
How many teaspoons of salt do you add to that meat over there? What are you cooking? I need to know what you're going to consume. First of all, I prepare your server for the entire house. Who are you cooking for?
I didn't need the answer. You can.
Did you add tomato sauce?
Stop talking. I'm going to speak kitchen and food.
Did you add actual seasoning or what? I need to know what's going inside my system. What are you cooking, lady?
Me not cook for you, you know. Me not cook for you. So.
And don't stir me like that. I'm the lady of this house.
Lady? Yeah, alpha lady.
Whatever. Squirrel.
I'm talking for a kid. That's for a kid, you have to talk.
I don't like you. Anything too brown, never good. From ever since.
You know what I'm saying? You're going to want nothing about you. You're going to want about you. You're going to want. No, what kind of money is going to go? Jesus Christ.
Why don't you take him up yourself? Take him up yourself then. Take him up. I guess you want my man. Take him up.
Hello.
Oh,
Me
that's
and Matty go way back. So don't worry about take up. If me don't take him up, me take him up a long time. Why you don't know bigger than you?
I'm not here to argue with you, lady. All I want to know is what are you cooking? How many ingredients did you add to that? That's all I want to know. What's going inside my system? I don't know if you're over there cooking up poison for me and my child and my man.
Hello. I have been cooking in this house for about 5 years now. Me and Matty is friends, so don't come here just last night and wherever you come here and want to come try like you can style me. Yeah, watch your mouth.
Congratulations. All the best for that.
Boy, I go one Matty but one day when you take up, you know. See?
Nonsense.
You like how it gets done.
Great.
Rubbish you talk about this.
Hello?
Matthew,
Yeah?
this lady over here. Call her son must be Matthew friend. Call her, I can't even chat. Who is she?
Oh, Browning.
Whatever her name is.
Oh,
who is she?
A close friend of mine.
A close friend? Listen, I hope that brown girl is not a woman, you know.
Listen. Kay, you need to understand. She's the one that cooks every day. I'm a single dude, you know. And I have a friend that cooking. So if you have a problem with her, behave yourself from now. I know you cockatoo.
Like seriously? I don't like the idea of that closeness. Remember, the way to a man hurt is through his stomach, you know. Hope you're not sleeping with that brown girl, you know. I don't like her.
Listen, don't talk when I'm talking. If you didn't cook the food properly, you come here last night, you know, and you cooking white rice. And when they are trying to find the rice, I swim. You swim. You can't, a porridge you give me. You don't give me rice last night, you give me rice porridge. So we call back Browning to come back today to cook.
You don't talk?
No.
Anything else? Anything to add to subtract? Alright, so you want to disgrace me now? Okay, fine.
Well, Browning, you cook good too. I smell it right in the room. You have to come outside. You bother me.
Thanks, baby, love. Thank you. I really appreciate it.
Yeah, you're bad for cooking. No, mommy, I forgot that. You don't smell nothing. You don't know what you want with sometimes. You have to go sleep over more.
You know what kind of woman my friend can't take up? Why? Me and look at me name was kind of good woman I road. You love him like
This I'm not your old. We can chat so.
Hello. You know, come
So you're going to disgrace me now?
You're not going to come and disgrace anybody, you know.
This is my child. I birthed her. Who are you to tell me how to talk to my child to disgrace you? Know? Who are you? This brown sin thing. Who are you? Mind your own business and control your pot. Control the aroma of your pot.
Smell good.
Boy, you wish mommy could cook. Go learn to cook. I want her to teach you. Since I can't teach you, and I'm not willing to teach you, make she teach you. About this food, smell, whatever. You wish mommy could do. Make she teach her to cook.
But mommy, I just said you can't cook good.
Thank you.
I remember the rice last night.
It doesn't matter. Thank you.
See, I get offended with that.
No, it's fine. Thank you.
Hello,
So make sure when you're hungry, she can feed you.
Hello. If you never know how much you have a nose nearby, you know. So you never know that. Take time and talk, man.
My baby wants me like a lion. You just can't.
You come here, I saw you nasty, what kind of nasty woman you have? You be? Eh? Look what the plate there and think. As a woman to woman, you're very nasty. I'm just a medium.
Nasty. You can't even talk. You can't even construct a simple letters together to make it be one word. But nasty. It's nasty.
You know where you come from, with a Jamaican you come from, and you're very nasty.
Okay, let's see about that. Let's see. But don't forget that I'm the lady of this house now. I'll take control, not you.
Me no want to see when you take control.
Rolling a bit and I'm going to come. I want my food them to eat.
Me no live here, darling, you know, airport.
Yeah, go come my morning time and stay till my evening.
Shanique, come sit beside me and start talking. Shanique, sit beside me. No, just sit. You can sit. Sit.
Hello, me know your daughter, you know. See, I have to call her from beside me. Me no love woman. Me a big woman. Right? Worry about who out the road. Don't worry about me. But you call her from beside me. Right? You must make she stay beside her, make she learn something from me. Because she not learn nothing from you.
Come and go inside.
Mama,
I don't want to be eating this food tonight, you know. Come inside.
Browning a cook food and you are complaining about this tax. That's not food belly, you want food.
I'll cook up something for you.
No, mommy, not again.
You want corn mackerel and white rice? Come inside.
Running, see up some my food for me.
I said come inside. I can't be talking so many times, try. Why are you doing this? In your room! Sure.
What kind of woman want to take up?
Sean, put on the phone and come here, please. Finish washing your spray for me. Finish washing your plate, let me finish this. I know, let me repeat myself. Hello? I'm not talking to you.
What's wrong with you?
So now wash your plate then.
No, I'm shutting off the net.
You serious?
Wash my plate.
Alright, I'll wash them. We can stay. I'll wash them. So. Because I love you, I learn sometimes to do things. Okay. But I need to understand. Put my shoes on, please.
there?
You good?
Yes, girl.
How would you bring some loaded up today?
Here, you come here.
Nah, I'm very rich already, so I'm surprised that I'm thinking about that.
But it have, you know, so it have, so believe someone thing, I'm not, nobody feel like. So,
Yeah, I'm get gas.
so you're up to? You go to school today?
No, sir. Then you cancel school for today.
So where's the final one?
Let's go stop for me now.
Hi, Greenie. You must be again. What's up?
What?
Wrong one.
Alright, so what you want from Matilda?
I don't really want to friends. I'm a friend, so I just want to see you.
I hear you. You still don't like the closeness.
Hello. You don't have to worry about anything. Yeah, Matthew is friend from a long time, right? So as we say yesterday, if we didn't want him, me and him would have sleep a long time before you come along, alright?
Alright, Matilda, do you want you? You can say if you don't want you.
Hello. Nonsense is speaking, right? Me and him is friend. Close friend. Me and him go to school together. We grew up together, right? We live in the same village. So don't go talk about one. Me and him is nothing more than friendship.
Oh, so I'll take your boat though.
We just go look for him.
You know, I hope today you want to cook.
I we can't do cook.
Don't need to come.
Anyway.
There! Wow. Where am I?
Tell us me superstar.
Oh, brother!
Alright, Chops.
That's it.
Touch it with G.
There, I'm going to face fresh.
Yo, I'm what kind of sitting here come pick up your comment. Don't do that, man. Do better than that, man.
Well, I said, you know, the place is lonely, so just, you know, she get put out and things, so just keep her here, you know. What? One of the two in another strong going, I just help me help her out, you know? So, what are you going to achieve in so far?
I'm not going to answer you.
You're right, you know. Brownie! She have you?
Yeah, man. So far.
Oh.
No, you see, she disrespect me.
Oh, gosh, you're right, you know. I thought that you're right, bad. Yeah!
Beard, pick up beard.
Hey.
Yeah!
Hello. You must have respect for him. He's a good man here. A best man. You have respect for him.
I'm not going to do.
Yes,
I'm not going to respect you.
I mean, I'm not fear. No, man, don't say that. I'm best man. I'm best father ever get there.
Wow. Where?
No, there's no soup. There's no for red pea soup.
Red pea soup. Kind of soup, you know. Don't make some pasta in the meantime.
Yeah, man. Your thing, man.
Oh, guys, you know. That time I coach you, you know. You know? Because they want freedom to go, they want to go. They want to live. I don't even want to that say, if you charge your phone, you must charge your phone and don't because when you charge it. It's supposed to be one time for the day. You charge your phone. You're supposed to charge your phone. Ken! Ken, come to me!
This is why I don't like you.
Ken!
What's wrong?
Before you come here, what me tell you about your daughter said?
Same thing at the store.
Charge her phone one time for the day. She was not on the charger while charging. So,
No, I wasn't. My phone
she was on
my phone put down here, so how me I use it on charge.
You be,
Friend come in and you get
leave her over me.
Well, I don't know.
You don't know. You don't know.
Mama, the man just don't like me.
You don't know.
I don't do the man, and the man just don't like me.
If
I
you
don't
like
understand. If you come and tell me about how me I use my phone punch out, and my phone only rests right here, so.
Alright, come here alone, I see them. Yeah? Cool. You're cool. So what have you been doing while I'm out? What have you been doing while I'm out?
I was just like, keeping the place tidy, resting on my meditation.
No, man, don't come here.
We don't want to come here.
Woman.
And the woman, that same lady,
Yeah.
she only.
Yeah. But no man here.
Woman, yeah, look, woman alone, you can't come here, no man, you come here, come on, you see.
Okay.
Well, not.
But woman look funny, you only want woman to can't come here, no one, no man, you say you go to woman, that means that woman, you have to look too, if they come here.
That's where you go?
No, she cook. Look what they cannot cook properly.
5 years.
We are
Yeah,
friends.
for.
And she's been cooking 5 years, I know her.
I don't like it. I don't like the idea because normally, as the saying goes, the way to a man artistry is come up. I don't like it.
So,
I don't like it.
so,
If you can't cook, if you don't want me to cook or you want to taste the food I cook, go to a restaurant.
I tell a lie, and I tell you want food and we eat it, I tell you say cook good. And next thing we reach a bathroom, I'm tired of that. We can't say it's a bother too much. You cook.
So you want to insult me in front of my daughter?
That's
In front of she? That's what you want to do?
She went running down the door to use the toilet too. That same night. That same night you cook the curry. I thought they were cooking curry, but it's yellow chicken. It's very yellow. It's very yellow. It's not curry. Cause
So you can't cook? Can't you cook?
that's what I'm gonna do.
Okay, so what's the purpose of she? If you can cook your own food, cook it. Why she?
Exactly.
Why she?
Because if she not cooking every day, you're deadly hungry. She's deadly
That's
hungry.
what you think.
All she people are still not food.
And
When she not there, still not she feed fast.
is that true? We can go shop to buy food too.
You see, so much I'm sure.
It's
Cheaper.
cheaper. Hello, it's cheaper than me coming to cook. That was buy a box with them get dinner.
So, my ask you, Matt, you pay to cook?
You know, it's with out of my heart, with my love. Out of my heart.
Okay.
Tell her about it. You tell her.
If me sick right now.
Matt, you care to that, sir.
Alright.
If
There's a question, miss. The time I'm taking to come here every single day to cook for my man. Don't you have a man for yourself?
she's single.
Don't you have someone for yourself?
She's single.
So, why you answer question them fear? I know you
Because you know you have a big brother.
But you don't know if you get nobody to come answer me. If you answer for yourself, me tell you how woman you look.
Boy.
You know you got to have a boyfriend though.
No.
Are you me get boyfriend from?
My daughter?
Alright.
No.
Alright.
She not mad.
Alright.
Woman you on the road say, come here son and come accuse me.
Alright.
Why you think you only want females and me to come here? But
Alright.
you two me the fire case now, me have man. Oh, me have woman too.
So it's a blame game. It's a blame thing now.
See, you can't give me
What
something.
you going to lie to me now, darling? Not because my daughter and I were homeless the other day. You want to disrespect me in my eyes. What?
Because this is me trying to keep her alive. If you cook some make my friend come cook for you.
So why can't you be a male friend? Why can't you cook for yourself?
Male friend.
Male friend. Or maybe both. One put the middle, one put the rice.
Where's the story?
A male friend.
Okay, since you talk about how me can't cook and so, right? You said she don't cook the food that good. Why you, when you there home most of the time, because you have the garden now. So when you there home, why you not say you take your time out to teach her? Since you have a problem with watching.
She tell me, alright, listen. I tell her one day to let me teach her to cook. She said she's cooking for her child. She know how to cook.
So if you have a fault with the food now, you help her and sure.
And if she has steam callaloo in here, I pour, my God, callaloo don't steam with water. She throw water and I have soup people in her. color soup. She cook rice, it on rice porridge. What sense?
What?
You're trying to insult me, smart, not true?
Three girls in here.
Huh? So because she's saying that you want to insult me in front of my own daughter. That's a decent disrespect, Matthew. I don't like that. I don't like it. If you have an issue with me, you talk to me one way to my face. But not like this.
You see again.
You can't teach me no. If you really love me and want the relationship, you can teach me. That's why relationship don't last because person is straight. Them always have other options like maybe she over there right now. But friend, over 5 years, what's that?
She's gonna mix me. Right?
This is the thing about people.
Alright. We don't make home.
Alright, you start cooking your phone. She don't come back here. You have to start cooking your phone. Let me see you cook properly. When you cook what you want to eat, you cook for yourself.
No, one time I'm not cooking here. You complain about gas and you complain about this, you complain about that. One time cooking at one, you go wash up everything when you do that?
Our house. My house.
Okay.
When I used to wash it.
No, so you want 2 pots for cooking here, right? You go wash up everything then.
I agree with that. Okay? You really agree with that?
Of course, she's my daughter. My daughter wants to sit and lie to me. So it's either 1 pot or no pot. But she can't come back here now. She can't come back here. I'm not see the sense in that. Don't allow her to return to this place.
Ask her that last week where she was. When you did up at the top house, when you were living up here. Ask her where she was. Just ask her.
Friend Mila come over.
Hey, shh. You don't need to explain that stuff to him. What are we expecting to be? No must library.
Exactly.
Huh?
Okay.
Where you expect her to be, sir? Okay. What are you trying to say? Are you trying to accuse my daughter? What are you trying to do?
Without accuse her. They're trying to put her on the right path. Where's the pot cover? Where is it?
Boy, come back and yam name pot cover in nonsense. Remember when you used to come here with a pot cover and you see? No?
Me somebody who can hear style in the kitchen, rub them up in your style. You must cover your ear properly. It can't. I don't even know. You just look chaka and you say you have to prepare a meal. What kind of style that man? Fix up your ear, man. Lord.
Why you don't go fix up your head? Let's see you have yellow and...
No, she right. Don't answer. She right. Now let me cover your ear. Cover it. Don't answer. She right. Don't let you laugh off her. Don't tell her.
If you go fix up your hair, you have both 4 different colors of your head.
You see, you have all 3 attack her butter in here, right? Before you tell her to teach you to cook. You attack her butter in here.
Why should I want Browning to teach her how to cook?
Because if you could have lived in a brownie quick.
Okay, you see it? Browning, you want.
I don't believe that thing.
I have to believe my daughter. Who you want me to believe? I can't believe a man over my daughter. She's my only seed. She's my only child.
But mommy,
my firstborn, my only everything.
Mommy, and sister friend come in here, brown inside in the pan and I find fault with you. And me.
You know how long me and Mattia talk? Huh?
Every minute in
you know how long we talk?
5 years. At 5 years, me know from me.
Few months.
And I'm always enjoy taste. Always taste my food without any problem. But now, this browning from nowhere just appear like the devil. Appear and disappear, but my browning teach me how to cook. What's the YouTube there for? What's Google there for? If I can't teach myself or learn from you, someone else can teach me, but not she.
You are 33 and you still don't know how to cook. Yeah, maybe a few months I will cook, me tell you if you cook nice. I don't want you to feel bad. One night, give me salty food.
You suck off your finger and do.
Yeah, because we have low pressure. So we like this salt at time. But now, I don't want no salty food. Let me skip to my salt.
That don't make no sense.
Yeah.
So,
you
have low pressure.
Go on there.
So, what are you trying to say? You have high pressure now, so you're trying to monitor your salt level? That's what they're trying to say now?
Mommy, you say in pressure lower, that's time suck off your finger.
Pressure lower then, talk about no way. I know.
You need to catch 1 week since that happened. Your pressure alright now?
You know, 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks, 5 weeks, 6 weeks, 7 weeks, 8 weeks, 9 weeks, 10 weeks, 11 weeks, 12 weeks, 13 weeks, 14 weeks, 15 weeks, 16 weeks, 17 weeks, 18 weeks, 19 weeks, 20 weeks, 21 weeks, 22 weeks, 23 weeks, 24 weeks, 25 weeks, 26 weeks, 27 weeks, 28 weeks, 29 weeks, 30 weeks, 31 weeks, 32 weeks, 33 weeks, 34 weeks, 35 weeks, 36 weeks, 37 weeks, 38 weeks, 39 weeks, 40 weeks, 41 weeks, 42 weeks, 43 weeks, 44 weeks, 45 weeks, 46 weeks, 47 weeks, 48 weeks, 49 weeks, 50 weeks, 51 weeks, 52 weeks, 53 weeks, 54 weeks, 55 weeks, 56 weeks, 57 weeks, 58 weeks, 59 weeks, 60 Tell him, no one, it seems like you heard that to come to that. You know, she with my question more than we did right now. And while I look at what we are fishing around the house in here. I'm fishing around the house day and night. Day and night. What you did day and night when you look at why I'm fishing around the house? This black boy me here about, me never call me. When me don't call.
You're too lying. I'm gonna tell you, I'm not say like me and mommy there here before you come back, and me and mommy there everywhere together. So what you mean, boy and fishy run? Me there right beside and mommy right through.
But he must say, boy, a fishy around the house. That must say fisherman can't find sea. A fishy around the... I don't see this.
Imagine, it doesn't look something to argue about.
It doesn't add up. It doesn't add up, Matthew. It doesn't add up. Stop accuse my daughter and stop make unnecessary assumptions. It can't work on the whole world. No, it can't work.
Alright. What done like that? One come out in my life one day. You know what I said? I'm not talking enough in my hand and underpants. I'm not talking. Go put on some clothes. You go out there. Go out there.
You can't tell me that. How you gonna tell me to be direct before you come out? You not still like you?
Listen to me. Go on. Go on.
Lick me.
So what are you trying to do? What?
Lick me.
No, I'm just... No.
Lick me.
No, wait, stop. You don't have to reach right here. But what I want to know is if you're a child or my child. I've never slapped my child or attempt to beat my child in my lifetime. You know, I don't believe in beating. I believe in punishment. So what are you trying to do just now?
Listen to me.
What?
Punish pitney or change pitney.
Like seriously?
Real lick. Without belt.
I might be a real stab out of the night.
Go on, just go.
But then I'm not.
Stop texting from my daughter. It never nice. It never can
You can't raise a child. Because if she can go on so, you can't stick with a child. Right? If that was my daughter, you would have seen all me and
I don't need your counseling, lady. Cook your food, I'm gonna put on the rice or whatever you cook. I don't need your counseling. You have a child? Huh?
Oi. She a cook soup. Which part she can burn up rice? Me tell you she can't cook. Go on in, go bathe. You feel like you want to bathe. Go on in. You say go on in. You never let come on and I will give the water jug.
Try it.
You will hear when they see this and say, the girl them want water. And the jug, no that you, the water jug. Hey, go on in.
What a calamity.
Go on in.
Jeez.
A brownie you want.
Brownie I shall get.
I'll be doing myself.
But I'm going to inspire Matthew.
No.
My friend, you know like my big brother. You know why you kill them people that how they want to make a drop down in their own house?
You know.
Go on, big time.
Go on,
I know my blood push out of the ear. Where are you dealing?
well, we have a woman that we stepped out and so long coming.
Yo, if you step in them, you have to be careful. Right? Serious thing. They will set you up. See, I try step on them. Come see, look one, they prep up himself, you know. Careful, he go set you up.
No man, can't set me up.
One of them try set me up, you know. But true is I use me work with a lot of technology. Maybe I try to catch him mother or do something wrong and set a camera. And when she try to set me up now, that means that evidence against she. So anything I do, but if they left you alone here with she, just put on one camera in one place. But you know, she will try to set you up. Anyway, there are some things to deal with still. Fix it nonsense, do the right thing. Stepdaughter, step this, stepdaughter, step one step.
You can't have a point, you know.
Next stepdaughter.
What does that happen still?
Stepdaughter and grandpa. Here?
You can't then.
You know what you do? Breathe the man. Breathe the man. So when the man left you, somebody else become a stepfather. Just continue to breathe and move. Breathe and move. We don't know.
Why, bro? Well, you can have a point.
No, me go wash.
Where to wash?
So you make Matthew wash. What? Why you make Matthew wash your clothes instead of you look for something you can get fit?
Go back around there soon. It's so crowded.
Girl, I'm there and bored. I'm glad you come up here.
Bored. I'm making a cook some food, girl.
Girl, I'm not hungry. Mommy did already get KFC for me, but I could go down the river now.
Why you want to go river, girl?
Remember, say tell me, say the boy always down at the river on Saturday and today I Saturday I go down to go see if I see him.
Oh, girl, I can't bother. I don't feel the vibes right now. Can't go over right now.
Nobody can't tell me say no feel the vibes. Girl, just come on, cause this place just boring you. I can't tell you. You see I snap me in up all day, I snap and something. I don't know nothing to do. Come on.
Alright, girl, come on.
Girl, look at me come up here and the boy down up here.
Girl, I'm surprised you're not there. Can you always there? I never know say you not go there.
Me a come down, me dear me. Can you only make me waste my time come up here?
Alright, come on, let me follow you. Because I'm going to go somewhere. Eva, wagwan.
No, me there.
How you go?
Sure.
You want me to go with that?
I'm gonna biscuit of yours, please.
You know, say a long time I did want to stay, I did want to talk to you about something.
So what do you want to talk to me about?
You know, say for a long time I like you, but you never see you from when me ask all my friend Neil about you and she tell me say I could have see you down at the river, but turns out I end up see you on the road, so I want to talk to you and see what can go on.
Yeah man, I normally they down by the river, but me just have to go down the road. But I'm surprised how Melia come to you about me. And one day she see me and tell me say she like me. But anyways, I like you too.
Alright, so just give me a number then so I can talk to you over the phone.
I have a phone for me, but I'm going to give it.
Yeah, because I have to hurry up and go down and send me something to a shop. Alright. Later.
Nobody. Where's your man vice calling?
Miss Redskin woman. You're like your voice detector? I understand some earphones of course, so you know some man, a man voice. Eh? Your voice detector? What you try to say? What you try to do? At least my daughter say man a call her. Or you know some man? Are you a man? Is it your man? Voice detector.
You know some people answer you come down to cause family. You know say I don't want good mother, you use not a good mother.
You soon know if I'm not a good mother, you soon know you can't even breathe. Eh? You can't even get pregnant. Whether you just never know a daughter?
Don't worry about if me can't breathe. Because I'm sure no say that you gon' breathe me, yeah?
You must stop your arguing. Nobody never out there. Or maybe somebody a call next door, but nobody never dare call over your son.
You sure about that?
Nobody never out there. When I look out a while ago, nobody never out there. So maybe somebody a call somebody else next door.
Exactly my point. She jump up and say she hear man voice. She hear man voice. So all the voices that can hear man voice. Man, if I am mine, eh?
I need more answer you.
What that me so? What make me see two of them together?
I'm a boyfriend, girl.
What you mean are your boyfriend? Explain to me what they go on here, so because what you me say now, you tell me say you know no other to me like, so how comes are your girlfriend all of a sudden? What they go on?
If me did like a yes, but you tell me say I have 6 boyfriends.
6 boyfriend? Girl, now what do you mean you chat and me tell you me like the boy and so you know some don't got 6 boyfriend. Where me get 6 boyfriend from?
Shani, girl, calm down. Let me explain. Me did have feelings to the boy. I realize you like the boy too, but then again, me just did have to tell one look like girl. But sorry about that still.
Right now, me not care about what you have to say. Me get what you say and why you do it, but that still not justify what you do because you cause a problem for me and him this one. So you know what? If friendship done as so. Two of can have each other too.
Sure, you can't go along where you go. Come on here, baby.
Yes, baby, take a plate then, man. I'm not going to play for me. It's a shot. Ready?
Where you from,
Sorry, I never know say I see your friend this stay like to.
You never know say I saw she did stay. Why you never come to me and ask me, you ignore me and then me come see Yana I go. I don't even know if over in yard do not go, but me still know plate so obviously over there. So now you come to me if you say sorry about that. In the first place, you should have come to me and ask me what they go on because you tell me say like me tell us I like you. So you could have just come to me about it. Simple as that.
So you me I go do. To make it up to you, I go carry a river. Either if I today, if I tomorrow, I don't know when yet, but I can't get the river now in there.
Alright, then you follow me go down?
Yeah, please. Where you come from?
Oh, that concern you.
You think you here to up the road with boy?
Everything you hear, you ever see no? You ever see?
Listen.
Go and listen to hear say.
I'm gonna give me some water.
You can say please. Me not have to do it tonight, you can say please.
I'm my house to service. Every time give me some
And my foot and hand this year, you said me, you ask me for something, you have to say please.
And when they say more water. We don't need to say
Alright,
please.
get your water. Alright. Here. Can't even say thanks, I should have choke.
You have one house? If you say that? You have one house? Eh? What is What is?
You ask for water, you never specify what kind of water.
We never say sea water or salt water. We say water. Yeah, your woman can't cook. You know?
Do we go to cry? You cry up to mommy? Jump! Alright, jump for the oh yeah, wow.
Hold. You have a time to say that, you know? You have a constant to say that if I come to start water, you know? Come, show me a towel. Get up! Come, don't show me a towel. Come, you know what kind of dance they say you have in here, you know? Come here. I don't know what kind of nasty is the fire neck too. Go on, so. Hold on, come on, here. Go on, walk.
So
you said, see how they talk to her.
Where's the salt water?
This is salt water. TSC. The salt water they give me. Right.
TSC no me and say I start water. I don't know why you always try to find fault with me. This will taste like sour. What are you talking about?
Salt water. What are you doing?
Yes, you can't drink. I think it's the salt water. Me can't drink it too. Look.
I don't see to God. Salt water she give me.
You just always try to find fault with me. I beg milk water and I actually give up on me and you still have a problem. Matthew, what's the matter with you? Is it because my child is not your daughter? What's the matter with you? Why are you lying in front of me? Why are you lying on my daughter? I just taste the water, there's no salt. I guess you're telling me salty. What are you talking about? Salt water.
You're calling me a liar in my own house.
If that's the case, I guess.
You think they will let you alive?
Of course, I trust her.
See them. Somebody comes and they say, with man of the road, I walk and come down.
Every time you ever say, people are telling me things. Ask me if you ever see me no more. Every time I
She's a bad, she's a child, she's bad. Everything you have, pick off her neck. Light up on your neck. Eh? My God, man. 1, 2, no. She got to go. She got to go. She have to go.
Why?
She too lie. I want you to walk about plugging a phone for a charger.
I first never do this and one time I did it and make a problem. See, it's me plugging phone. One time I did it and make fuss over it. I don't understand what you're talking about. What she got to go. If she got to go, I'll be going with my daughter. She's my child. If I can't love she, I can't love me. It doesn't make sense.
How do you know something like that? I don't know how to explain this, but you need salt.
So what if the water is salt? It's not poison. Salt can be consumed. Don't you add salt to your pot whenever you're cooking? It's okay if the water is even salty. What's wrong with that? It's not poison.
I don't like them too salt. Don't you know no salty or no salt that will scratch your neck. And when you have life, she gave me there. She gave me there.
The last time I checked, you're hypertensive, so the salt is good. Thanks be to God for she. Right? You want to be a nurse, my daughter? Oh, she's taking care of you from now.
Yes.
Well, add some salt to your diet. What's wrong with that? You want me actually put salt in it?
You mean that was plastic?
Come, Matty, salt.
Alright, you know, you need to go get shower.
You need to go and get your
No more penny now spending. Rolling
Mommy, hold on.
You want to know all the food I'll cook here.
Stop it. You said my mother needs to get to work, right?
Yeah.
You need to go and get your face fixed.
It's your attitude there. It's your attitude there. I don't know if
Why you have to be arguing every day with my daughter?
I see why you poop around now. You never tell them poop around now. You never tell them you poop about him.
About her?
Yeah.
That make any sense? That don't make any sense in my world, no. Okay.
You know?
More salt water. And so what?
Well, the time guy gave me, yeah? Time guy gave me.
What?
Right now, talk to you about you.
Stand right beside me. Sit down as well. Sit down.
I'm going to tell you. Alright. The boss will all be able to keep it up. It's alright. No.
Matthew, I can't believe. Where are you? Come here. I can't believe you.
Yeah.
So you're not like her.
Me, I try to show you how me work. When we check out the whole system in here, my money now go down into like current bill.
The last time I checked, I didn't even pay your light bill. You're there stealing electricity and you're talking about current and light and all that rubbish.
Yes, and you let me have to come out and we are called JPS.
Look at this. 25,221 cents.
Is your name on that bill? I don't see your name.
You know what I want? You know what I want? See, we don't get where I'm from. Anyway, we're there.
Why don't have my daughter? Why?
I don't like, and she, this.
You don't like me?
She! Sorry, she! I don't. What did I do?
But just, Jesus Christ, I'm just smiling. Sit over there. Sit. Let me put me a shame. She can't smile again.
No, it's not me home.
She can't smile again.
You want to
Not because you now don't teeth to smile.
What a calamity.
What make you because everything we do in here, in our fault only. Every single thing, we can't do nothing and you know make nice and say how can I bad something about me. And you realize I him alone have bad things to say about me, nobody else.
Listen, I understand that you and Monty can't agree, but Monty is a nice guy. And I can't just leave my lover just like that. Unless he's cheating, which is wrong. And even molesting you. So once you've been molested by that man, or if he's cheating, he can go, I'll leave him. But for now, no. It's impossible to leave him just like that. Ben, look at the phone and empty your bed, please.
Where's the camera?
Matthew!
Yeah? Where from? I'm from the other friend.
I just don't lotion once.
One full face, I don't know.
If you like my necklace, I lock good. Help me lock it. If you like it up, drop or something.
So
How can I talk to me?
Stop touching me!
who touch you?
What?
In there, I'm coming here for a little lotion in my account, rub down my neck, but if you like, so we need a massage, nobody thinks so.
Don't tell me you believe her.
So you're not a masseuse.
You believe her?
Explain what is happening now.
I come around here, I'm asking for a little lotion, he might give me like give me attitude and I give me lotion. So when I take and I turn my back for good, he might come talk about how I say everybody look nice and tense, so come and massage, that's why when you come in now, that's why I say don't touch me.
You know what I roll them around there. Roll them around there. Take off the shirt and I exercise it. Thank you, Jesus! Me have back up seat there. I exercise with the camera. Move! But your mother needs to see this. I exercise with the camera.
You're too lie.
Move. Look, watch yourself. Glad.
You're too lie. You're too
No,
lie.
no,
Sit down, sit down. Let me see the camera.
Me show you what I want. Exercise. And you come. Look. Turn off it. It's a healthy life.
Hey, shut up.
Look.
Let me see this. Just give it to me now.
Yeah, hold on. Let me put you everything. Look.
I know how to use that tablet. Just relax now.
Yeah.
Just relax. Relax.
Yeah, play. Do not do the exercise from the camera.
And if I talk, oh, it's to figure the video and see the video.
Talk.
Sit over here. Sit over right also. Sit down.
Yeah, man. If you like it, get ready today.
See, mommy, I just saw lotion. Shut up!
So you see what I try to show you now? You see what I try to show you now? You see type of picture where you have.
What was your aim?
Oh, I want a piece of picture that I'm having.
What was your aim? Me just never like him. He say like who that can left if me tell her say he might trouble me. So that's time I didn't come in my health. Why don't you like him? Cause he don't like me.
No, you cannot say that. Just change the style. That's all we need. Be calm, be patient.
You know I was wrong? I was wrong all this time. I treat you like a lady when I was supposed to treat you like a child.
Amen.
You're supposed to know your place.
Amen.
You can't tell me who to talk to and who you don't like. Can you please me? Can you satisfy me as a daughter? Can you?
Amen. But you know, you never go so far. When we gonna please that?
Shut up.
We shut up.
You're very disrespectul and you pass the place today. But you don't like him. Apologize.
Now wait.
You want me to get really upset and dark in this place? You want me to get really dark?
Yeah, wait.
Apologize. Sorry, Matthew.
No, you see, I have it a blame. Alright.